came there to disgrace us. We were rehearsing. Gently, everything was going on well. Everybody was happy. All of a sudden, she fell on the floor as usual, display, babe. Started displaying.
Hey! Hey! This girl will not kill me in this house.
Papa.
Come, who invited?
I don't know.
Hey! Come back here. Come. Who asked you to go for rehearsals?
Papa, nobody will ask me make I go. Now me just stay, come say make I reach there, go follow my fellow girls. Do small rehearsal.
You decided to go there and go and display as usual, yeah? Eh? Ozimoha, how many times have I warned you to keep away from crowd? How many times?
Papa, sorry.
Come, why do you always want to disgrace this family? Why? What have I done to you? You are a curse, a big curse to this house.
Papa, warn her, please. Anytime I'm anywhere I'm around, whether rehearsal, anywhere, don't come around there. I don't want to see you. Stop disgracing me again. What is it? Is it my fault?
I did sorry.
Listen and listen well. In short, don't take her. I said drag your ears, drag them well, and then kneel down. Quickly! I do not want to see you attach rehearsals again.
Bam.
Do you hear me? Did you hear me? Go. Now get out. Get out. Get out from my side.
Get out too! We need to see about poor. Sorry for yourself. Sorry for your stupid self. Come and disgrace me again anyway. I'll beat you with that epilepsy that is worrying you. Papa, I don't like it too.
What is this?
Okay. Try it next time. Try it next time. It's
okay.
Since when? Eh? Baby don't care. When did you start this one? Did I beg you? Since when? Please, get out. Get out.
Make I just help you carry the bag.
Is it by force? Thank you. Go. Get out. See about poor. Get out. Before you come and display here. Entertainer. Shameless girl. My dear, take care of yourself.
Alright now.
Baby, come early. If you like, come late. Late comers. Mama did late. Hey. Jonathan, respect yourself. When you see me with people, don't come near them. Do you understand?
Give me orange 50 naira.
Okay.
Fresh ones, too.
We don't feel them.
Fresh ones.
Amazing. I did that for you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Alright, Bali.
But you get anything I want to ask you. Why they always follow me buy something?
I am your customer.
I know say you be my customer, but you know say I get plenty customer, no be only you. But other people, no be so they follow me, they buy something. Sometimes they go buy, sometimes they no go buy. But you, if you see me, you must buy something.
Okay, let us say I am your friend.
You don't know what you dey talk. You talk say you be my friend because you don't know me. If you know me well, you go wrong.
Who are you? Are you a monster? Tell me, why would I run away from you?
You no go understand.
Listen, let me tell you. With my little knowledge of epilepsy, it is not an airborne disease. So, I have no reason to run away from you. Okay? Besides, my other brother died of epilepsy, and my younger sister and myself did not contact anything before he died.
Yeah. Sorry, oh.
It's okay.
Ndo.
It's okay.
What happened to Ram?
He went to pluck some mangoes, climbed the mango tree, and seizure started. Fell from the mango tree. That was it. Died.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah. It's okay. It's okay.
Now beside go die now. My papa talks I go die. Na truth him talk. Him talk say he no go send me go school, say na waste of money.
Doesn't mean you're going to die. But one thing we all are sure of is that death is inevitable. we all will die someday. Hmm?
So bad, thank you.
It's okay.
You
take care of you, okay? Oh. Let me run along.
You must be done right, you. Leave jealousy, people, Naza. State and capital, Abia, Abangwa. Naza, you don't kill me. Lagos, Badagry. Now so you sabi your own. Enugu, Nsuka. Nobody you must learn you, Naza. Port Harcourt, Pitankwa. I dey feel you, Naza, Naza. I cross in the river, Calabar. Naza, 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 Naza. State and capital, Abia, Abangwa. Lagos, Badagry. No wahala, you must sabi boo. Enugu, Nsuka. Naza, Naza, Naza.
You are back?
Yes.
Naza,
Mama.
you seem very happy today. Do you
Grandma.
want to share?
Hey, Grandma, make I tell you, I go one school today.
School?
No, inside go school with it, you know. I enter inside class. I even sit down for chair. I carry locket, sit down. That's the way they take the sit down, they learn.
Naza, school? To do what?
I just stay past now. I go see some people where they there, the students. I say I enter inside there. So I enter inside there, they see that they play, some they even they speak English. Big grammar. Is life good though? Hey. My grandma make a kilo range for you. From my own money, make it. Hey, I say I go today. I go, I enter inside class. I sit down for chair. And they look myself, I say, na me be this. Naza, na me be this. I can't imagine when I go start. I can do this one for you.
Don't worry,
No wahala.
Start.
Naza, Naza. Which kind girl you be? Naza, you want make your head open. Naza, Naza, you don't do everything possible to make your head open. One times one na one. One times two na three. Naza, 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 Naza. One times three na eight. Naza. EIGAAT na eight yo. Never one. If I hear kanokwa. My brain door open, my brain door open. My brain door open, my medulla oblongata. It don't open, open. Naza, 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 Naza. If you want no book, go to Naza. She go teach you how to read and write. If you want make your head open, go to Naza. She go make them possible. Naza, Naza, oh Maricha, Naza, Abukwana tuto, ona fiero na mota, ebi weren kasiobi, naziga mota akukwa. Nazae, Chinazae, you must be done right, you. Abukwana tuto, ide sweet pasi sakarin, ebi weren kasiobi, naziga mota akukwa. Nazae, Nazae, you go read and write, you. Nazae, you must sabi read and write you. Leave jealousy, people, Nazae. State and capital, Abia, Abangwa. Naza, you don't kill me. Lagos, Badagry. Now so you sabi your own. Enugu, Nsuka. No worry, you must learn you, Naza. Port Harcourt to Pitankwa. I dey feel you, Naza, Naza. I cross in the river, Calabar. Naza, 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 Naza. 19 state and capital, Abia, Abangwa. Lagos, Badagry. No wahala, you must sabi boo. Enugu, Nsuka. Naza, Naza, Naza. I cross in the river, Calabar. See, I can't do what you wait till you do they surprise me, Chinaza.
Ada, you don't come back.
No listen to them.
Welcome.
No listen to their words.
Now the ones that make you know carry your school bag go inside.
No matter what they talk.
This song can hold you, my sister.
Hey! Since when? What's funny?
Please
go and get me my food.
Now your food be that way they hot. I leave am for your fire, make it dey go for you.
Villagers they mock you.
Is this a joke? What is this?
Even your sister they
What's
mock
this?
you.
Now your food now.
Hi.
Make you no mind them.
I want to say the wicked. When I say you're wicked, it will be as if I'm a wicked person. You're a very wicked girl. You are evil. So it's me you left that thing, that leftover, that nonsense.
The meats are there for you. I did not take any meat.
It's not leftover. So you don't know what leftover is.
I want to go to
Come on now also. Wash that food for me now. Give me that spoon, wash it and bring it here now. Stupid girl. Can you imagine? Carry the plain food and eat. Now you not give me leftover. See, let me tell you, if you do any nonsense in this house, I'll beat you. Okay. And bring me water to wash my hands. Look at the pot you're cooking it. For how many years have you been using it? You can't even wash it. I'm your auntie. Behave. Treat me like your auntie.
Sister, please.
You get back.
You see all these things we dey do, the way wey you dey treat me, I no go fit hate you. Anything wey you like, make you do to me. Anyhow wey you wish, make you treat me. Now you be the only sister wey I love, wey I get.
Hey.
Whether you like me or you hate me, I could always dey love you as my sister. And all the things wey you do me, I don't forgive you. I do the best for you.
Can you imagine? You don't forgive me. Nonsense. This guy don't fear. See, let me tell you, I'm very angry. Coming back here, I was very angry. That Mr. Agrikanabia that gave me rubbish in that mass. I am very, very angry. So don't let me transfer that aggression on you now. Respect yourself. For rubbish. Carry food and left over for me, your senior sister. Come, let me show you.
Papa, I say you dey owe am.
No, I know.
Okay. Papa, you get wetin?
This small snuff.
Papa, get wetin I wan tell you.
I'm listening.
Papa, the thing be say, as I dey like this, I don't tire. I won't make I dey go school.
What for?
Papa, so I will feel they speak good English now, eh? After I don't go school finish, I feel find work where I go dey work.
Papa, maybe she should go and learn how to sew, salon, cleaning, all those kind of.
Naza, I see no need sending you to school. I cannot waste my money on you. I can't.
Papa, but why you say na waste? Eh? No be waste now. I know say I know well, but if you send me go school, it no go be waste.
Papa, that's not even the problem. Let her not go and rub relaxer on somebody's hair and start checking stuff like pretty. Somebody said we catch fire, they will come and hold you.
That's her business. Are you not the one that is suggesting for her to go there?
How do you want me to say that? I'm suggesting.
Let her go and learn. But nobody should call me to bring shishi. I'm not ready to spend my money on her.
Hey,
That is it.
hey, I don't hear another one.
Akukwana tuto, ona fiaru na mota. Ebi were nkasi obi, naziga mota akukwa. Nazae, chinazae, umosabiri dan right you. If jealousy people nazae, state and capital, abia, abangwa.
Can you imagine that mathematics woman gave me F? F!
No, plus okay. Even me, she gave me F.
Eh?
Why?
That woman is wicked. That woman is wicked. That's why she has not given birth up to you now.
So you mean that old woman has not conceived?
Oh, Anna singing or to be her for Zimu. She has not even conceived. Talk more of giving birth.
How will she conceive? Because with her wickedness. She will
Can you
not
imagine?
conceive now.
I was so angry.
I beg, I come beg you something. I beg, no verse. I come meet you to come beg you, so you go help me beg Papa. Make he put me for school. I just want make I go school so I go feel learn BB grammar. They speak am the way you they speak am.
Hey! Naza, is the madness now this much that you don't know your seniors again? And I now put it. Are you mad? Come on, get out of here! Shut up, so idiot! You want to go to school so you'll be embarrassing me up and down, eh? Or keeping at school, can you disgrace him? Idiot! Look at her head. If I catch you there, I will squeeze that kuku out of your body, oh! Hey! Look at this girl, oh. So you come and be disgracing me anyhow, falling anyhow. Bacharanya go. Bacharanya, because if I catch you there, I'll squeeze out that kuku from you. Idiot. Ah! Hey! Shut up, Biko. You can't see Ada. Let her come and be disgracing me up and down in school. Which school? Stay at home. School is not meant for people like you. My son, how is everything?
Mama, everything is alright, though.
Thank God. Where are my grandchildren?
Adeze has gone to school.
Okay.
Chinaza is behind the house.
That is why I'm here, my son. See, my son, I have something very important to beg of you.
What is it?
Please, I beg you, my son.
Yes, ma'am.
Send China Zekberi to school. Please, all her mates are in school. Biko no, Biko, oh.
Mama, what is the need sending Chinaza to school? Mama, what is the essence of spending money on Chinaza? Mama, nobody will marry her. Mama, have you seen any man talk to her? Have you? See, I'd rather save my money, use it to drink and enjoy, than lavishing my money on a worthless child.
It's
Mama,
not
I will not.
worthless. She is not worthless. God forbid. My grandchild is not worthless. Oh. She is not worthless, my son. She is your child. No
matter how challenges, she is still your blood, your flesh and blood. She did not bring herself into this world. It is your responsibility to take care of her. Is it her fault? She's not the one that brought herself into this life, my son. It's neither my own fault, Mama. It's neither my own fault. I have tried. Mama, will you allow me to eat this food?
She is your daughter, it's not fair. She is your daughter, it's not fair. I did not give up on you. Even with all your bad attitude, bad character, your stupidity, I did not give up on you. I still trained you. I brought you up. I gave you all you needed, my son. Please.
Okay, I hear you. You said my stupidity and my waywardness.
Yes.
Mama, there's a difference, a big difference. Her own is deformity, not stupidity.
Oh, Melo.
Mama, I'm tired. Can you allow me to eat this food?
Because this is not fair. It's not fair. It's okay. I will leave you to eat. I will go bed.
Mama, I have tried.
I have to think about it.
I have tried.
Think about it.
I have tried, Mama.
I'm going to think about it myself.
Naza? Why don't you come to my shop and have some rest? Huh? Oh? Come. Let me carry this one for you.
No market.
Yeah, I understand. Huh?
Hey.
You understand? Yeah, let me keep it here. So that everybody will be seeing it. Everybody will be. Aha! You must have been trekking from one place to the other.
Don't tire, sleep, they catch me.
Yeah, I'm coming. I notice I'm coming. Huh?
I don't get money to feed.
No, don't worry. Yeah, don't worry. Coming. This will give you so much energy. Huh? Naza.
You know them.
Let's take a selfie.
You don't like selfie?
Oh my God.
Cheese.
Look at your mouth, the way you're...
Don't mind me, baby. See, I'm so happy.
I am going to the cinema today.
Oh, really?
What movie is showing today? I heard The Empire.
Yes.
Oh, God. I myself, I'm not going to miss it. I swear. As I'm talking to you, I'm already there.
I've heard so much about that movie and I think I am interested. I can't wait to see that movie. And you, what are you doing here?
I'm on the call.
I said out! Come back here. Go and get the car ready. We'll be leaving any moment from now. Be fast about it.
So, babes, we're going to the cinema together. We're all going together to have fun, to watch the Empire.
We'll get ice cream
and popcorn. Popcorn. You know I love popcorn so much.
Me, I'm in love with ice cream.
I love my
I'll take vanilla flavor.
No, strawberry.
No, I don't do strawberry. It's not my thing.
No. And I'm not doing anyone because I'm watching my weight.
You know, this my driver is such a lazy fool. Let me just make sure he's doing what I asked him to do. Abuchi! Abuchi! Be fast! Listen, I want you to clean the car very well. No mistakes, okay? I want it to be very clean. Make sure you change the air freshener. Get me the vanilla flavor. The one my mommy bought from London. Be fast about it.
You too kind,
Get there?
Yeah.
Where's my orange?
You're awake.
Where my orange? The paper I put when I keep on. Where my orange?
Calm down, eh? Why you? Calm down.
Where my orange?
Hey, you see, while you were asleep, I took the liberty of selling it for you. Here's the money. I sold everything. Ele Chamanta.
Yeah, thank you. God bless you.
You're welcome.
Hey, God bless you. What can I go do if you no help me?
Yeah, well, thank God.
You know, see, since morning why I carry this orange, they waka. Nobody gree buy for me because of my disease. They talk say if they buy them, say the thing will affect them.
You see, the truth there is that I am always going to be there to help you, okay? Alright? Disease or no disease. Okay?
Thank you.
And God bless you too.
God bless you, yeah. You try well for me. Even the more where I drink, I appreciate and well.
No problem. You're welcome, huh? You do go?
I go come, make I dey go.
Okay, let me pack up so I can see you, walk you up. Hey, but there's something I've been meaning to ask you. Oh, why don't you leave hawking and go back to school?
You think I no wan go school? Now what do you think? How I go take go school now? Me I won't go school make I dey solve mathematics, they speak big grammar. But my papa say he no go send me go school. Say as I get epilepsy, say na waste of money. Say nobody go marry me. Say if he invest on me, send me go school. Say na waste. Say no man go one marry person wey get epilepsy put for house. Why you can't they ask me that kind of thing? He say school no dey hungry me.
Yeah, but he...
No, but for inside, he say he no go send me go school. Now make me the hustle, they sell orange. But people know they agree they buy from me. They say if they buy from me, say this my disease, they go carry am. I make them know they buy from me because I get epilepsy.
No listen to them. No listen to their words. Obugi kero wagi. No matter what they talk. No matter what they say, you must go.
Hey, Vincent Cow, to Erikezi. Naza, you're back. You're early today. Chineke me. Naza, you finished all the fruits today.
Mama, not me said them finish. Now he came help me sell everything.
Ikem. Who is Ikem?
Mama, today, as I come waka come out, I no quick sell market. I tire. I no see who ask me, you they sell or you know they sell. Now I just say me I go sit down for one shop like that. Come collect water, buy pure water, my pour for my hair, make my hair cool. Cause my hair they hurt me. Now he come meet me, come carry me go in shop, come buy me more than milk. As I drink finish, I can't sleep off. Sleep catch me. Before I go even sleep, wake up. He don't sell everything finish, come carry my money. Give me. You see him?
Child. Oh, God will bless him. Eh? God will bless that boy.
Amen. Hey! Mama boy, get wetin happen where I can't let her the regret as I dey come back.
What is it?
He come dey tell me say make I know they sell this thing again, make I go school. The thing come vex me, now I come waka comot for where him dey. After I can't do am, as I dey come back, I can't dey regret am. Small.
Hey. Sir. Huh? That one is not enough for you to be angry now. See, you have to go and apologize to him. Oh? You have to go and apologize to him. And you do that one tomorrow. Enano? You go and see him tomorrow. Oh?
Mama,
there is food in the cupboard.
Okay.
Naza, you don't kill me. Lagos, Badagry. Now so you sabi your own. Enugu, Nsuka. No worry, you must learn.
Abuchi is back.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Call him for me.
Okay.
Madam.
Abuchi, why did you leave me stranded? How dare you leave me stranded? Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. How dare you talk while I'm talking? Are you stupid? Are you mad?
I'm sorry, ma'am.
How dare you the guts to speak while I'm still talking to you? What is wrong with you?
What is happening?
Are you mad?
What is happening? My gold. What's going on here?
Daddy Tabuchi, he took me to the cinemas where I went to see movies with my friend. So when we got there, he said he needed money to buy fuel, which I did. I gave him money. He left. I didn't see him again. I didn't even get a call from him. I tried reaching him. His number was not available. If not for my friend that offered to bring me back, I would have been stranded for over how many hours?
Sir,
shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. So you couldn't even make a phone call? A very simple phone call. You couldn't make that call?
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Don't worry. Leave my premises.
Sir, let me explain.
What don't you understand? The get out? The get or the out? Which one don't you?
Let me explain, sir, please.
Drop the key there and leave my premises. Very simple. I don't want to see you here again. Okay?
Lousy fool.
Sweetheart, come on. I'm going out now. When I come back, tell me about the movie.
Okay, no problem.
My princess.
Anything you want, they go get them for you. One of my, baby, oh, yeah,
Brother, I come to beg you because of the way I take waka comot that day where they talk to me. I come to beg you, make you forgive me.
It's okay. It's okay, Naza. You see, I understand what you're going through. Rejections from every angle, including your family. I understand, okay?
Thank you. Say you understand me well. Yeah? God go bless you.
Bless you.
Oh yeah, Naza, don't beg you. Make I go sell my market.
Wait, Naza, wait. Naza, wait. Just a second, okay? Come and sit. No, sit, Naza. Sit, please. Just a second. Huh? Sit down. You see, Naza, what do you really want?
I won't go school. I won't learn how they speak BB grammar, how they solve mathematics. But my papa say he no go send me go school as I get epilepsy.
It's okay, you see. Naza, I want to help you, okay? But I don't have money to do that because I am not done paying back the money I borrowed for my mother's burial. Huh? But you see, I spoke to my sister about your condition and she said she was going to help you. Yes, you see, I from now on, you bring your oranges here in the morning. Huh? I'll put them here in front of my shade. And then in the evening, you come back and take the money. Yes, that's it. So you can pay for your school.
Hey, God bless you. Hey, God bless you. Thank you.
It's been good you to find
With Beauty Plus.
too caring, you too kind,
Wow, this is nice. Okay, let's take with my Porsche. No, let's take with my Samsung.
I try and feel
Like daddy's girl, you know. Let's take with mine. Okay, in fact, let's do a short video. It's cool. Hello. Oh, mommy.
You have to tell your father to bring Abuchi back. That young boy has responsibilities, can't you see?
He didn't know he had responsibilities when he left me out there stranded.
That boy had a flat tire and his battery ran out.
Mommy, I do not care. The only thing I know right now is that I want a change of driver. I don't want him to
Honestly speaking, at times I pity you. And your father is not helping matters at all.
No problem, Mommy. We're having a girly discussion before you came in here. Yes. So I would appreciate if you can excuse us.
Tell your father to bring Abuchi back. That's what brought me out here anyway. We are done with this discussion. Excuse me.
Girl, you really a spoiled brat.
No, it's not my fault. My daddy loves me so much, and that driver, he's such a lousy, lazy somebody. I don't like him.
If I were you, I would take that guy back. Give him benefit of doubt. Another driver might not be as patient as he is.
But why are you talking like this? I do not get you. I am not the one that sacked him. My father did.
Fine. Then talk to your daddy. Tell him you want him back.
Whatever. We're doing something before my mother came with this sad news. So can we continue?
And what if I say no?
No, you have to say yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
It's my
yes.
phone.
No,
Use
I know.
yours.
Okay, let's snap with my... Okay, fine. I'll make you happy. What do you care for?
Nothing.
No, you have to take something. Agatha! Where is this girl? Agatha! Can you run, please? Be careful.
Agatha, get me water.
Okay, water. Come back here. I've not asked you to leave. You leave when I asked you to.
Oh, sorry, Mama.
Thank you. Do you care for food? We have... What you have? Jollof rice, fried rice, coconut rice. What do you care for?
Agatha, get
Coconut
me water.
rice.
Room temperature.
Okay, fine. She said she needs water at room temperature. For myself, get me chocolate, get me fruit juice.
Mother, what is room temperature?
My God, you don't know what room temperature is. You're embarrassing yourself. Fine, she means bring the one that is not in the fridge, okay? Just bring the water from the pack. She doesn't need a cold water. Come back here, I'm not done.
They don't finish all the things I give them, they sell for me. See, they don't finish them. They don't sell and finish, nothing remain. Nothing remain, they don't sell and finish. Hey, what? See, as you they look your granddaughter so, I go soon start school. In fact, as I did so, I be student. I don't start already.
Hey, Naza, I hope you are saving the money.
Mama, you they talk like this. I dey save am when I want start school. Make I fit dey write, dey read letters. If I want write my name, I go write am.
Chai.
I happy today well.
My daughter, I trust you. I know what you can do. Eh?
Make I go chop. If I say make I give you the good news. This one sit you.
Naza. Ezigbo nwa. Oh, nwa de mma.
To deserve all these things, oh.
I love this. You know that's my favorite.
That's what I do. That reminds me.
Agatha.
Sir?
It took you 10 hours to bring the drinks.
She's trying.
Still something inside.
Okay.
Can I taste your fish? I see fish, okay?
Go on.
Try it. In my mouth?
Go on.
On nose.
You want to put it in mine? You want to put it in mine?
I think it's your plate.
Okay. So eat that one.
Okay. Maybe kind. Different taste.
Coming from you. Let me retaliate. This case. Oh, that's it.
Thank you, Agatha. Where is she? Let's go. Good.
Whoa!
At last.
Who do we have here, my princess?
The president.
Your hairdo is beautiful.
Thank you so much, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy.
Rachael.
Wow, this food looks delicious. It's yummy, yummy.
Mommy, you like it?
Beautiful. You cook well.
Daddy,
Yeah. Yes, honey.
please, I would like you to bring Abuchi back. Yes, I've forgiven him. I'm sure he wouldn't misbehave anymore.
Is that what you want?
Yes, that's what I want, Daddy.
Your wish is my command, my princess.
Thank you so much, Daddy. I love you so much.
I love you too.
Papa, this one where you and Ada just they jolly, they happy like this, they smile. Good news, day.
Yes, something big has happened. Now, check around here. Can you notice anything unusual?
Give it like you. Don't be like say motor tire.
Hey! You are smart, oh. You are smart, my daughter. You see, one big man came here asking for your sister's hands in marriage. Huh? And he came with that jeep.
My sister! Oh! My sister, are they happy for you?
Yes, so
Like this, she don't marry be that.
I'm getting married. I am getting
My
married.
sister, I'm happy. Papa, but you don't make inquiry about the person. Make you check.
Shut up! What inquiries are you talking about? Somebody from Umwigwe here. You are talking about inquiry. See, the man has promised that he will wait until she finishes her school start before he will come and take her. And they will come to pay her dowry next week. So what are you talking about inquiry?
Chai, my sister. Hi, I dey happy for you. Well.
Thank you.
That day go there, Papa. Everything go happen.
Yes, so
Chai.
that day will be hot. But I want to tell you something.
I know you know my do as Shebi. I go
Shebi, what? Listen, I don't want to see anything that looks like you or you outside here. Do you understand? Please stay inside. Don't come out to biko. Don't come and embarrass me. Don't come and spoil it for me. I am telling you now.
Yes,
Papa Biko, help me beg her.
Yes.
Help me beg her.
Did you hear her? Did you hear her? Yes.
Go inside.
I'm happy for you,
Thank
Sharon.
you.
I dey happy for you, my sister.
I dey thank you.
May I go keep my tray?
Yes. I told you this girl is a witch. Can you imagine? Hey! Enemy of progress in this house, in my own sister. If they send you, tell them you did not see me. Oh. Tell them you did not see me.
I called me the other day. I was beating. My mom picked his call.
invited him over for dinner.
Are you serious?
They are like mother and son.
This is interesting. No. Tell me you're kidding.
God, I'm not kidding. I'm serious. This is just like a planned stuff. I see. What's wrong with our mom? Do you know, the other day Prince called me. I missed his call. So I didn't have call card on my phone. So I went to mom. I was like, Mom, please let me use your phone and make a call. Next thing, she took the phone, called Prince, and invited him over to the house.
When you came back and met both of them, how did you feel? Were you sad? Were you excited? Were you scared? Or mixed feeling kind of?
You know?
How did you feel?
I was so shy, but kind of.
Let me tell you, seriously, I envy both of you. Listen, sometimes I just wish I have understanding mother like yours.
Come on, good.
Good.
You want to understand.
See, your mom is very understanding. Just that you're so used to your dad. If you ask me, yeah.
It's not like that. Listen, I can't even discuss such issues with my dad. My dad is too possessive. It's like you don't know him.
Don't even go there. How, Daddy? Your father, your dad, will kill or cut off the person's manhood.
Stop! My dad is not a murderer. He can't kill no one.
But trust me, girl, you should be closer to your mom.
Yeah, you should be.
Is that what you think?
You're supposed to be close to your mom.
For me, it's a no-no. My mother nags a lot. I can't even do that. Anything I do seems so bad in her eyes.
Do you know why she nags?
Why?
Because she loves you.
Is that what you think?
Isn't it? She wants the best for her.
You don't know my mom. Get away.
You don't know her. I mean, she wants the best.
No! My mother can knife for Africa. Stop it! Nothing!
She wants the best for you. She wants the best for you.
No, I don't.
Mommy wants the best for gold. That's what she wants. What are you saying?
Mama will call you. Gold, come here.
I'm the best mom in the world.
Have you eaten?
Oh my God, I'm blushing.
He said, you must eat. I said, Mom, I'm not hungry. You must eat. But it's my dad. My dad will say my please.
Mama, they are coming next weekend to pay her dowry.
Oh my God. That's nice, my son. Umigwe is not far from here.
I know, very close. Very close. Yes, ma'am. Very close.
God. Thank you. It's remaining Naza, my daughter.
Come, Mama. Do you actually think that Naza would get married? Do you think so?
Yes, of course. Naza will definitely get married like every other woman.
Mama, wake up from this dream. This is daydreaming. Who would marry an Okonkwo girl? Wait, let me ask you. If you were not my mother and your son wants to get married now, then the girl happens to be epileptic, Mama, would you agree? But answer me. You see, you are quiet. That's what I'm saying. Mama, so stop giving yourself high hopes. As for me, I have accepted my fate. And that is one of those things. That is the reason I do not want to spend much on her. Because I know she will die anyway.
Your problem, my son, is that you are self-centered. Yes. The moment you start doing the right thing, considering people around you, the better for you. Greed will not help you. Rather, it will ruin your life the more.
Mama, what has greed got to do with marriage issue we were talking about here now? Anyway, I have told you what I came to tell you. A rich man is coming on Saturday to pay your granddaughter's dowry. I have told you. Now I'm going.
Naza is your daughter. Gold! Gold!
Gold! Gold! Gold! I don't hear your name.
No, I'm sorry. I was carried away by the music.
Your father is about going to work. Won't you go and give him a peck?
Oh, really? Let me come and hear you.
Bring it up.
Daddy!
Anything you want, they go get them for you. One of my, baby, oh, yeah,
my God.
Daddy, I will miss you.
I miss you too, my dear. But make sure we stay connected on Skype.
No problem. I thank God for technology. You can see someone from afar, either from your iPad or from your computer.
Honey, please start going before you miss your flight.
Okay, I will.
Please stop. There's something I want to tell you.
What is it, princess?
I want you to change my car for
No, shut up. It's up to 3 months that he bought a car for you. You don't put the other. Wait a minute.
Daddy, I want a new car. I don't know why Mommy is yelling at me. I need a new car.
Okay, what type do you
need? In fact, for now, I don't know. When I make up my choice, I'll send you the picture.
All right.
Thank you. I love you, Daddy.
Love you too.
I love you.
All right.
Start going.
Take care of yourself.
Start going. Security. I went for a fancy. Where are you going?
Daddy, bye-bye.
Anything we concern China, so they touch you for heart. You see, the good Samaritan. You like it to the give, you don't like it to the collect you. Another of your name na princess you.
He said he's coming on Saturday with his family to pay my dowry.
Chai, is he coming with his friends?
No, for now it's not. It's just going to be an in-house thing. Friends will be involved later.
Chai. So we are not invited?
No, it's not like that. It's just that my father wants it to be a family thing. Between families and family, you understand? They're no more elders, you understand? So for now, friends won't be coming, Biko.
Okay, so when is the wedding?
We're thinking of after WAEC. When we finish our WAEC, everybody will now be chanced. So we'll do it after the traditional, then the white wedding. The white wedding is in Obodo Igbo.
Hey! So that means you follow you to Obodo Igbo.
Ozubonu.
You mean here? We are happy for you. We are so happy for you.
Thank you.
We'll be going now. We're already late for the rehearsal.
Oh, I won't be coming.
No problem. I understand. No, you want to get ready.
Let me just get ready.
Alright, take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care.
Hey!
Please let me lock the gate.
We will, Charlie.
Bye. Dara. Can you imagine? Want to get that?
Villagers they mock you. Villagers they laugh you. Even your sister they mock you. Make you no mind them. Make you no send them. If it your kuga joyo chinaza. I want to go to school. They no agree. If I save money, they go take 'em. What have I done to deserve all these things? Oh.
Oh, Manegu. Well, when you take us down here?
I've been here, my daughter, ever since you started washing your legs.
Ah, Mama. Manegu.
My daughter, you seem excited. What is it?
I want to go and see that my friend. You know, say you don't tell why I never see him. You know, say na the only friend where I get with that. You don't come. I don't talk about you.
Omalicham.
You are welcome, my son.
Thank you very much.
My son.
Mama.
I have been hearing so much about you. Yes, my son.
Mama, good things or bad things?
Good things, of course, my son.
My son, I don't know what to be thankful for.
You have done so much for us, my son. But all I will say is thank you very much, my son, for everything. May the good Lord bless you.
Mama, bless you too. Mama, thank you for thanking me.
God bless you, my son.
God bless you too, Mama.
Chinaza, my son, I am here to cook.
Mama, don't bother yourself, Mama. I'm not hungry.
My son, don't say that. In Mama Nuku's house, there must be something to eat.
Yes.
So, my son, you have to take something. I'll be back.
I'm coming. I'll be back, my son.
It's okay, Mama. Mama, why you? Why you, Mama? Very accommodating.
My grandmama a nice person. No say that she be the best friend why I get.
Yeah, you can say that again. So how was your day?
My day good though. Me and Mama Nuku we go farm today. As I come back, I dey prepare now you come.
Hey, my son.
I want you to have this. Use it and keep yourself busy. Let me go and prepare the meal.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay. It's okay, Mama. Hey, when do I start?
Make I help you. Fuchazia.
Mama Licham.
Hope you're preparing for that festival.
Oh my God, that reminds me. Do you know I forgot to tell my daddy and he has traveled? Oh, I didn't tell him.
Good, you didn't tell him. You know he will not allow you go.
How do you mean?
Oh, come on, girl. Everyone knows that your daddy is so possessive.
Yeah, that I know. I think I'm even lucky I didn't tell him because he would have stopped me from going. I'm so happy I didn't tell him.
You can tell your mom. She'll allow you go. Come on. That festival is something one shouldn't miss.
Are you serious? No. I've heard so much about it and I have no plans of missing it. I must witness it this year.
Better for you.
I'll go and talk to my mommy. She will allow me.
Sure.
Are you sure she will?
No, she will.
You know my mom is a bit
No. Not this time. I know she will.
I'll talk to her. I can't wait. At least let me go to somewhere that I've not been to before. Have a fresh and new experience. It's adventure.
Sure.
Yeah.
You're so interesting.
Big girl in the before Matthew. Now for action, they see a move. Sister God, Sister God, you too good.
Naza. Hey, this one that you are smiling like this. Eh? It is only one that is in love that smiles like this.
Hey. How this love they be? If you see I'm gonna.
Yes. My daughter, it is the most sweetest and the most careless moment of your life, all rolled in one, and you don't want to come out of it.
But the thing they see her.
Yes.
If you want, you go feel get her.
Not exactly. But you can feel it.
Manuko, if person get her, it dey last. Wait, make I bring chair so you go explain where give me.
Okay. Zinazepere. This is my daughter. Don't worry, I will tell you.
Sit down here, make you tell me.
Okay.
I want to know.
All right. Oh yeah, take this one. It's for the soup. We'll put it inside the soup, eh? Hey. It's not like that. But it's like something you enter, as in something you will come inside and you don't want to go out of it.
Hey, now be saying na my case, so because as they do me now, you get as they do me. Since why I meet Ikem, if I dey with him, now so my heart go dey jolly, go dey jolly. If I dey with him, I no one leave am go again. They give me happiness, well.
My daughter, that means you are in love.
Mama, I know waiting in they call me. They call me Omalicha. Now waiting in they call me.
That's good.
Even if me and am they talk, Ingo can't tell me say, na me find pass all the girl we dey for this life.
That's true now. You don't know.
Mama, you see as I dey. If I die tomorrow, my heart go rest well. I go know say you get one person where he love me well.
You will not die. Why will you say that? You know I don't like it when you say such. Why will you die? Have you given me my grandchildren? You will give me my grandchildren. I will nurse you. I will cook milioda for you. Don't say that again. Oh, I need my grandchildren from you. You know you are the best. God, I thank you for using that boy to put smile on my granddaughter's face. God bless that boy for me.
Amen. Mama, I don't do now.
My daughter, you will not understand.
Now I understand them. Now that thing will make Rumi go die for Julie.
How was your day?
It was fine, and yours?
Beautiful.
Mommy, do you know that Amago Festival is coming up on the 7th of next month?
Really?
Yes.
I've heard so much about that festival. That's nice.
Mommy, please, I want to go. I want to go with my friends. At least let me experience it for once.
You want to follow your friends to the village? No, if it were to be in the city, at least I would have. Maybe.
Please now, let me just go. I'll be fine. I am no longer a baby. I can take care of myself. Please.
I said no. Because your father won't approve of that, please.
But my father is not around.
We are done. We are done with this discussion. What is that? I said no. Gold. Gold? It's better you be. Gold.
She says she doesn't want to eat and she didn't eat anything last night.
Okay, don't worry. I'll talk to her.
She too fine, yo. She too sexy, yo. Sister God, you too fine, yo.
Mommy, I wish to be left alone.
How could you just decide to stop eating? Do you want to kill yourself?
Because you don't want me to go with my friends.
It's not my fault. You're closer to your father than me.
Mom, that's not true and you know that. You distance yourself from me and Dad is always there for me. Mom, let me tell you something. Can't we just do things like every other people and their mother? Mom, this is not right. You're my mother. I am your daughter. We are supposed to have a bond. We are supposed to be closer. We're supposed to share secrets like every other people. Have some secrets like Brenda and her mother. I'll tell you so many things about me that you don't know about. So many secrets. Like who my boyfriend is, what I do when I go to see movies and all that. Do you know, Brenda, my friend, is very close with her mother. They discuss everything. Please, yes.
They are close?
Yes.
So you know we should be close?
Yes, please, Mommy, let's be closer. Please.
Okay, we are going to be very close. Yeah, there's something you said.
What's that?
You mean you now have a boyfriend?
Joe, it's not like I do have a boyfriend. There's this guy that has been bugging me. The other day, he wants to peg me, but I refused.
Guy?
Yes, but I've not really considered it. Mommy, stop. I've not done anything with him. I'm just telling you.
Is that something to do with them?
Mommy, it's our secret though.
Don't do anything now.
Yes, but the guy is cute though. He's handsome and...
Leave me alone,
I'm sure. If I do, I'll tell you, but don't tell my father.
I won't tell you.
I don't want Daddy to hear you.
And the little ones.
Yes, I think I'm hungry now. Let me go and eat. Thank you.
Don't allow him to peg you, please.
Okay.
Big girls.
You don't like it to decorate you.
Crossing the river Calabar, Abia, Abangwa, Enugu, Nsuka, crossing
Abia, Abangwa, Naza, you don't kill me. Lagos, Badagry, na so you sabi your own.
Naza, Chinazepere. Eh? That load is too much for you. I've told you to stop carrying heavy load like that. The firewood is too much.
Manuku, no verse. I no go carry on like that again.
Okay. I don't like it, eh? You seem very happy. What is the secret?
As I come back, I can't see small children. Where did they come back? Where did they sing 90 state and capital? Yeah. I can't learn Osbo.
Are you serious?
Sharp, now I learn them.
They don't know, so I don't pick up.
That's good.
Manuku, make I sing her for you. Abia, Abangwa, Lagos, Badagry, Enugu, Nsuka, Port Harcourt, Pitakwa, crossing the river Calabar. I like that they sing her, they go. They sing her. Small children. I can't learn her.
That's good though. Hey, but that's very good though. Eh? Just hearing it from the children You learnt it like this. What of if you now hear it directly from the teacher's mouth?
Manu
What will
na
happen?
magnet na. That one go just enter like that.
Sharp, sharp.
You know, say I dey intelligent. Now make I won't go school. If I can't start school, the way why I go learn am everything.
I trust
they go not say Naza get brain. If you see these small children, the way they sing this thing, they sing and they speak English. Join them, big grammar. They join the thing. I can't learn this small one.
That's very, very good. I trust you. I know what you can do. Is it not Naza again?
Man, you be like say food never ready. Are they hungry?
I went to Mama Chigozirim's house to buy gari. There's water on the fire. It will soon be ready. Oh, you know how I make my food now.
Okay, make I go wait.
Trust me.
Make I do my rehearsal. I crossing the river Calabar, Port Harcourt, Peter. Crossing the river Calabar.
So you sabi your own.
Very intelligent girl.
Nobody you must let me on Naza. I dey feel you, Naza. I crossing the river Calabar.
That one name Bikon. You see my Okonkwo Milo. Okonkwo Milo, why I take put money? I put them under bed. My money dey inside. All my money dey inside. I dey find them. I don't search everywhere. No see.
Is it that one?
Chime.
See the cover here.
Ada, what happened to my money? Why I keep inside here now?
What?
My money, all my money. Why I don't suffer save? Now here I put them. Who come out them? I take come outside. Who take my money? How does this thing take reach outside? That way give
Hey, Ogini Naza, did you give me money? Please let me hear word.
Now this money I plan to take pay my school fees, buy my school uniform, do everything. I don't get another home.
Did you give me any money?
Hey, I beg now. You see I'm giving. My money. Hey, I beg now. Ada.
Ogini, what is it?
Ada.
Why are you calling my name? Did you give me money? Naza, respect you, Ogi. Respect yourself.
Ada. My money.
Problem.
My life don't finish.
Come and sit down and tell me. Come and sit down and tell Mama Nuku.
Hey, which kind of life is this why they live? Which kind of life I dey? Wetin I get again? My money. They don't take my money. My money when I put inside Okonkwo Milo, person get mine. He get the heart to go collect them.
Hey! Mary, how much is the money you are talking about?
Na 8,000 naira.
8,000 naira. 8,000 naira, my daughter. 8,000 naira.
As I give that money, I want they can go school. I tell my own papa when he born me for belle, make he give me money. Say na waste of money, no go fit send me go school. Now I suffer. I know as I suffer take save this money. Now human be where God creates go carry am. You know say me he take small. He carry the 8,000 naira. Finish. All the money don't finish. Nothing I go do. Maneko don't dey okay. Maneko I suffer take make this money. I dey save am.
Let's go.
I dey save am. I won't go school.
Let's go and get the
As
money.
nobody there will go help me. I say make I save my money. Now person collect am. You know say make he collect small. He carry on. I go do.
Okay, let's go.
Where I go start from? Where I go start from? My neighbor they don't collect am.
Papa, these are the things I bought.
Very beautiful. Hey, that's it.
You know good things.
Hey, trust me, I do know what I do.
You know good things. You can say good things. Good. What is it? Or the Kwanama?
All is not all right, my son.
Naza, okay.
Who took the money that my daughter Naza kept in Konkomilo? Who took it?
Naza, where did you keep the money?
Papa, I put the money for inside Konkomilo. Come carry and put under the bed. I don't know who carried the money. Now outside I see the Konkomilo. How the money can't take get like waka come on for this house, I don't know. Now my school fees be that.
Adesi, did you see any money?
Papa, I didn't see any money. I've walked gone for. Here.
Mama, you see, so what is all this noise for?
And you did not take it.
Hey! Chineke, Mami. Hey! In a promotion.
Okay.
Yeah. Naza, go and look for your money properly. Go and search for it well. Nobody saw any money.
Okay. Since the money has developed leg and decided to fly into the thin air, whoever that took that money, be it a woman or a man or a young girl or a young boy, we know no peace. Amen. As for the woman, she will know no peace. All her children will be useless in this life.
Hey, Mama, let me get a channel again. I took the money. I took it.
Adam, you carry my money. Hey! Adeze, now you collect my money. Hey! Adeze, give me. Hey!
Mama, I've used it.
Onyori, is it your own that you will take it?
Is it not for the family betterment? Mama, see. I use it to buy the clothes I wear the day my husband people will come. Is it not fine? Is it not for the betterment of the family?
Ada, my money where won't they go school instead of for the betterment of the family. You know they talk of my own better. No problem. You they go school. You know what make I go school.
She used the money to buy these things. After all, it is her sister's money. Not she didn't go out to steal it. She did not use it to buy granite or akara or my or to waste it anyhow. And for you, are you not even happy for your sister? You say they come money.
Bah. But this is not good, oh. This is not good. Considering the way you are taking sides on matters like this, it's not good. This is not good at all. They are both your children. From the same womb.
Hey, Mama, that preaching is enough. Mba. I don't even know why she keeps on disturbing herself about school. On school.
Oh.
Stop disturbing yourself about going to school every time. Going to school.
Mba.
Mama, Ogini.
Okay. God the Bazia.
Yeah, Deba.
My daughter, come, let's go. Let us hear something from you. Come, let's go, my daughter.
You look very beautiful today, my sister. I know.
That's why he chose me.
Learn how to say thank you.
Mama. Okay, thank you.
Take the water and go and give to our in-laws.
Mama, how can I carry this thing and go there now? I'm the bride. Let Nasa do it.
Remember. Mbakwa, see, I no go feed one. I no go fit do am, I know well, but that one no be the reason. Mama, the reason be say Papa say make I no come out there, say no one make him see me where in-laws dey. Make I stay here.
Nazi, I know you don't like me. I know you're not happy that I'm getting married and you're at home. But please, take this water and just go there, drop it and come back. I don't say you should go and do meeting no more now with them. Go and drop the water and come back. Stop giving the flimsy excuse.
Adeze, learn how to plead. It will do you some good. My daughter.
Mama.
Please, go and serve our in-laws water to drink so that they will not choke. Mama,
you know say I love my sister well, but now because say Papa say mine no come out.
But Mama Nuku is saying go and serve them. They need water to drink.
Make I go.
Don't worry, my daughter.
So you sabi your own don't worry, you must learn Naza. I dey feel you, Naza. I cross the river
Epilepsy. Hello. That's epilepsy in their village. God made it possible for us to witness this epilepsy in the last stage. Hi! Come on, get you the job for that shoes. Or come on, I'm not the Bruno. God forbid. She has come. You see? Get that people out there. Who sent her? Who sent Shinaza out here?
My beautiful sister, where's she there?
It's okay, my daughter, it's okay.
Don't spoil my sister marriage. Mama, I talk this inside, no one come out here. As I say. Mama, if you leave me, make I stay for back where I stay. Mama, if you leave me,
my daughter, it's not your fault. Come, let's go. It's not your fault. Okay, my daughter, come.
See, this is your man. Leave my house. Come on. I said, get. Take your things and leave my house immediately.
Why would you say such a thing, my son? Why would you say that?
Oh, you don't know. Mama, she is a curse. So let her take her curse out of my house. I don't want her to continue to cause trouble for me. Get out.
Hey, I said, but this is wickedness. This is wickedness. God will judge you. God will judge you, my son. My daughter, come, let's go.
Get out.
Come, let's go. Mama Nuku's house will welcome her.
Hey, take her. Go to her house.
Let's go. Let's go.
Hey,
go.
Mama, go.
Let's go. Let's go. Naza, let's go. Wicked man. Wicked man. Wicked man. Wicked man. Hey! Wicked son. Hey! Let's go. Mama's Nuku's house will welcome you.
go.
Hey.
Talk to me now.
Papa said we should cancel the wedding. That is no longer interested. Hey! My enemies are going to laugh at me.
Hey! What time you gonna show? Hey, I am finished.
Oh.
My only hope of wealth is dashed.
Hey. Papa, I feel like killing myself. I feel like killing myself.
Don't kill
People will laugh at me.
It's alright. It's okay.
I will kill that Nasa. I will kill that Nasa. I will kill that girl. I will kill that girl.
That Nasa.
Why are you like this? Why are you still crying, my daughter?
You know, since I don't spoil my sister marriage. You know, since her husband people don't wrong go. I don't spoil her marriage.
Is it your fault that you are like this? Mama. Is it your fault that you are sick?
Mama, no they talk like that. No they talk like that. It's not my fault, Mama. Every time go they tell me say no be my fault. Me no say not my fault. Mama, if you leave me my day backyard why they this thing for no happen. Our husband people don't go, our husband don't go. They no gree my arm again. Which kind of thing be this? My papa they tell me say cause they my body. And now I know say true, I get cause for body. Because if I no get cause for body, I no go do this.
Nasa, shut up your mouth. How will you say that? Nasa!
What are you doing here?
I don't know what happened. I say make I come beg you. You know, my condition. No be my
Nasa, shut up! When you're done crying, you tell me what you are doing in this compound. What are you doing here?
I come to come beg you. Make you forgive me. You know, so I love you well. I know if you do you like this.
You come to come beg me.
Because
you come to come beg me. You
Stop!
Stop! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Come to come beg you. You come to come beg you. You come to come. Get out! Idiot! Look at her. Witch! Can you imagine? Let me see your leg in this compound again. You come to come beg me, idiot! Can you imagine? Witch! I know you never wanted me to get married. I know you were jealous. Because I used your money up here. Useless girl. Come and marry your own, let me see. Come and marry this compound, let me see how it will happen. Did I do wrong by knowing you? Eh? I mean, you don't even come on again, one. Witch! Oh yeah, come and marry this compound, let me see. Beyond one thing that compound that can fool. Beyond one, come on, no, go off in the gym and idiot. Come and marry. What kind of rubbish thing is that? Hey! How? Hey!
I heard that her sister fell as usual. The in-laws enter the can speed off.
Hey! That served them very good. Served them very right. You know what she told us that day? It's a family thing. When the wedding is ready, we'll be the ones to invite them. Can you imagine? Hey! Nonsense, that girl.
Her husband has run away. Let me see who will not take her to Bodo.
Leave those people alone. Happen those mad people. That girl. You can brag. Bragger number one, Shirike. My name? Chineke.
It's okay. It's okay.
You know it's I suffer. You know the way where I suffer save this money. Nowadays I get the man, carry this money, go buy clothes, buy shoe. They wear for body. Money where I want to go school. E good?
It's okay. I wish I were rich. I wish I can pay for your fees and take care of everything that you ever needed.
You don't really try for me now. You go kill yourself for me. You don't do plenty for me. And there's my sister. I don't know why she hates me like this. My own blood sister just they treat me like Saibi Osu. This is not good.
My children, I want to go and see Mama Chigozere. Please, my son, make her to stop crying. She has cried enough.
I'll try, Mama. I'll try. Mama. It's okay. You will spoil your beauty with these tears, Biko. Biko, no manage.
Which beauty I get if I no go school? My money, why suffer? They save. Nowadays I get mine, carry and go buy clothes. You know as I suffer to get this money. You know, every day I go carry orange, I go dey waka. People go dey insult me, sun go beat me, rain go fall for my body. I no complain, I know wetin I dey pursue. Now for me to save this money, take am go school. When my sister dey collect this money, no even touch her for heart. Make she remain small for me upon all this suffer. She get the heart, carry am. She get the heart, go carry the money. My last card, take go buy clothes. When my papa don talk say she no go send me go school. See am now, good health I no get. School I no go. My life no finish be that now. Wetin I dey life again dey do. Better health I no get. School I no get. This small money now, she don't take am. Wetin I get.
Manisha, but you have me now. You have me, Biko. It's okay.
She can't even count 1, 2, 3 to 5. You see, it's not possible.
Please, my daughter is very intelligent. She will catch up. I know she wants to learn. Please let her be in your school. It's circumstances that made her not to start all this while. I know she will learn when they teach her. Please, I beg you. Oh, Biko, one teacher, Biko, oh.
Madam, there's nothing I can do for you people. She can learn trade or something else. Besides, everybody cannot go to school.
Trade, see, my daughter wants to go to school. She wants to learn. Please, help me. Biko, Opugo, nursery. Even if it is nursery, let her
Madam, like I said earlier, there's nothing I can do. Please. If you don't mind, I have something to do.
Auntie, please now, please. No, I take God, take beg you. I beg. I won't day like others. I won't go school. Make I learn the big grammar, sabi book,
Please get up and leave the school. I have something to do. Please.
Nazama, let's go. There must be a way out. Let's go.
Ogenede, we're in school. You will go to school.
Mom, you are still crying. Maza, my daughter, why are you still crying? Hey, my daughter, why are you still crying?
Wetin I did this life they do? You know better make death come carry me, make I die, go rest. Which kind life be this why they live, Mama? Which kind of head be this?
Sofiawa, my daughter. Hey, why are you talking like this? Why would you say such a thing?
Mama, as I did so, I no get one single friend. Even my only sister Daisy, she know they take eyes see me. Nobody why I get.
Azam, my daughter, why are you talking like this?
Mama, I go talk.
What about me, Anikim? Hey, it is well, my daughter.
Mama,
it is well.
Mama, I know they well. You know they well. You know they well. This life where they live don't tire me. I won't die. Make I go rest. I won't go school. I won't go school. See small children for this place. They go school. Even at days my sister she they go school. But my papa say I no go school. Mama, he good. He good. I no get friend. I no get people who love me. Waiting like that life they do.
My daughter, I know you want to go to school. I know you want to go to school. But you heard what the principal said. You heard her.
Mama, you see as I did, so I no go do trade. I no go learn trade. As I did, even if not that can I make I start them. I won't go school. I won't go school. Everybody they go school. See small children, I go pass them for road. They go they speak big grammar why I no fit speak. See my age, I know they go school.
It is okay, my daughter. It is okay. It is okay, stop crying. I will find a way out. Yes, I will find a way out. Mama, look who we find a way out. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry.
Ona fiaru na mota ebi were nkasi obi naziga mota akwụkwọ nazae chinazae
Mama, I don't return. I don't come back. Mama.
Nazada will take me to Bodo.
Mama, take good. Mama, this is the way they hate me like this. Mama,
open that.
Mama, what's in all these things before?
I have registered you in Precious Primary School. Yes, my
Mama, talk through. Mama, you talk through say you don't register me. Mama, God go bless you. Mama, my heart's the happiness now. Mama, start school. Mama, never. Hey, God, I greet you. Mama, what I for do if I no get you?
Nothing.
Mama, this one touch my heart. Hey.
Check the standard inside.
Hey, Mama, don't worry. You go enter. So I go start school. You get business school. Hey! Hey, whoa. Mama, God go bless you for me. God go bless you. Mama, see, I'm up I go. It don't enter. No. It don't enter. No.
I thought that.
Mama, it don't enter.
I thought
hey,
that.
Mama, God go bless you for me. Make I come out and make you know that. Hey, my shopping and my rule, I'm here.
My daughter,
Mama, God go bless
the material inside there, you take it to Mama Nkechi to be sure you.
Mama, I don't go now. I don't go.
I said, better wait. You just came back from the sun. You need to rest, my daughter.
Mama, no worry. No worry. Which kind rest I need way past this one while I want to start school now? Hey! Mama, make I go. Hey!
Don't do everything possible to make your head open.
Asa, you will be late. Are you not ready? What is this guest doing inside here?
Naza Pere. Mama. Naza come, you will be late, oh.
I don't come, oh. I don't finish.
Be fast, you will be late, oh.
Mama, look me well. I don't ready.
I want you to listen to everything that they will teach you. Today is good, eh?
Oh. Mama Neko, trust me now. I go learn now where. Anything where they teach us today, I go learn. If I come, I go teach you.
I trust you, my daughter. I trust you very well. I know you will learn everything very well.
Mama, I won't go now, but before I go like to reach house. Make I go see Adeze, my sister. Make she know say I don't Mama, make I come dey go. Good luck, my daughter. Mama, thank you. Mama, God go bless you. No say if no be you, this thing for no day possible. Thank you, God bless you.
Right, make I take good luck, eh? Chinaze Pere. Wadi Wobima. Mama Rama.
Nazae, Chinazae, Mosabiri dan right you. Akupa na tuto. If you sweet past sakarin.
What is it?
Good morning. Adeze, good morning.
Come, is this not a school uniform? Where are you going in it? Where are you going to?
Papa, that's school uniform now. We again they carry and go now school now.
Wait, is that not the uniform of that Otakara school at near the market?
Not him. I don't start school. I say make I come show you and Papa say I don't start school.
Hey. Come, my daughter, why do you like wasting your time? Why are you wasting your time? Why?
Papa, no problem. You call and wasting time. Me, I call and going to school. Eh? Make I dey go.
Papa, why are you laughing? What kind of business?
No wahala, you must sabi boo. Naza. I cross in the river Calabar.
Why are you so happy?
When they ask this thing, you don't blind. Check me well now. You go see the thing I wear. You go not say crayfish no be pomo. I don't start school today. I even come in the morning. Make I come tell you say I don't start school.
I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy. At least now people will stop laughing at you. They will stop laughing at you. Oh.
Even your own friends, when they laugh, you say I know they go school. Now they go stop.
Pico. I hope you have everything. The pencils, the books, everything. I hope you have everything to read and write.
The thing besides, I don't get almost everything. But today my school auntie can say we go buy soap, buy tissue. Now that will remain.
I'll buy those ones for you.
You sure?
I'll buy them for you.
Baba.
I'll buy it for you. I'll buy it for you. I'll buy them for you.
Thank you. Look at they go outside. My grandma they wait me. Make I just start waiting for school today.
I'm coming with you. Let me thank her.
You need to take her more.
Biko.
I want to go to school.
Mama.
They don't agree.
Mama, look, I don't come back. Mama, I don't return.
Welcome, my son.
Yes, Mama.
My daughter, you are welcome.
Mama.
High school today.
School go well. School good well. I enjoy myself.
I trust you. I know what you can do, my daughter.
Mama, I learned plenty things for school today. No be something. Even auntie where they in charge. She can't call the small children with their class. Can't say me they no insult me. Say if they insult me, make I come report to them. Saying go flog the person.
Yeah. Ah, that is nice, my daughter. She is a nice woman. Oh. Very nice woman.
Mama, I actually came around so I can thank you. I appreciate you for putting her in school. Chukugozi, Mama.
Remember, she is also my daughter. She is my daughter, and I want the best for her. I want her to be happy.
Mama, God bless you.
And God bless you too, my son.
In fact, my second name na Happiness. I happy well, thank you.
God bless you, Mama.
Hey, Mama.
God bless you too, my son.
He get one song where they sing for our school where I learn am.
Mother, come and rest. You just came back from school.
Ona yaro na muta onye nwere ntasi obi ọ ga-amụta akụkọ ọ bụrụ na nne gị na nna gị nwee ego ọ bụrụ na nne gị na nna gị nwee ego 1 times 1 2 1 times 3 13 1 times 6 14 1 times 7 17 1 times 3 7 sweet you go come there, go see small children, they blow grammar. But like this little one I catch, I say make I carry and come back. Baba, I don't tell you to close my eye. Come now.
I'm coming, Mama, I'm coming.
Baba, Mama, to be quiet.
I'm coming. Don't open. If you... Close them all. Make sure you keep them closed, oh? If you open them, I will knock your head.
To pay now.
No, don't try. I'm coming there. I got something for you. Huh? Okay. 2, 3, 1. Open them. I bought this for you. Oh,
come on. Hey, you going for me?
Yes, sir.
Come when a man back on and wait.
You know? You like it, huh?
You know what I they like? I go take and they do plus and minus. Hey, God bless you.
It's okay.
How you just dey reason do this thing for me?
I'll do anything for you. Okay, man, you know I'll do anything for you. And let me put rope on it.
God go bless you. Hey, Hi.
I know you will like it.
I love him.
I know
you.
Good,
well.
Huh?
Hey.
2 seconds, I'm coming. 2 seconds. 2. Ow. 2 seconds.
No problem, I go wait. Even if not till tomorrow. Look, I test them.
Okay. You like it?
Akụkọ na-atụtọ ọ na-ayarụ na mmụta onye nwere ntasi obi ọ ga-amụta akụkọ ọ bụrụ na nne gị na nna gị jide ego. Chineke m.
I'm happy you are.
God go bless you. I happy well. I happy well. My second name na happy. Good day, yeah. I beg, I want Isha's head of fish. Like this one, the head then. I want. Don't be this Isha's well na dey throw away. Na throw away na dey throw am now. So yeah, give me plenty now, even if na 10. Like how much?
You reach like 300.
Mbano, it dey too much now. No be ordinary Isha's. See, now the only thing I get 100 naira. I beg. No be small. Give me now. When you need you know they carry and do anything now. Hey, Mbanka Karakao.
Give me
big one. You go do me customer.
I
said 100 I get.
Nazae, Mosabiri da right you. If jealousy people Nazae, state and capital.
You don't kill me, Lagos, Badagry.
I know say you don't know it's my baby. I don't know. You know go understand.
I don't, my daughter. I don't understand.
Baba.
Oh, Malita. Baba.
Welcome.
Welcome, my son.
Malita, what are you so busy with like this? Huh? What are you eating?
They ask me, you know this thing? She has one.
My son, she has refused to eat anything today apart from this.
Ishiazu?
Yes, my son.
Ishiazu kwa? No way, Mama. Let me ask a very simple question, Malicham. Why Ishiazu?
I understand. You don't know what's in the apple. See, the time is saying, if you dey chop ishiazu, plenty ishiazu, say your brain go open. You go dey speak big grammar. You go dey learn book quick. So I want chop plenty ishiazu. Ma, if you go market, see any ishiazu, buy for me. Even if they never cook am, I go cook am here. You say the brain. Umiazu. Then I dey open brain pa.
My children.
I don't know of Isiazu, but I know of coconut, my son.
Mama, same here. I know of coconut water. I've never heard of Isiazu.
You know of coconut water?
No, I've never heard of
you be bad person. Now today I no say you no like me. Mama so often I no say coconut water. They open brain. Una no tell me make my brain open.
Yes, my
I go buy coconut
water. Biko. Sit down. Oh, sorry. Sit down. You see what will happen is that tomorrow I'll bring you 20 balls of coconut. Oh?
You sure?
Makachi. I'm sure.
No problem, if you sure. For now, make I dey chop this one first. They say if they open brain. If you can't bring that coconut where they open brain, I join her with issues where they open brain. Mama, brain go catch fire.
Be careful with the bones.
No wahala. Now you open brain pass. That's all they tell me.
But Malita, you're hot-tempered.
No go there.
Tell her, my son. Tell her.
You know, say something they open brain. No tell me.
You're hot-tempered.
I'm telling her. Let her know.
I was dancing. Daddy, you're looking at me, and I was dancing fast. You know how to do it. One time. Mama elementary one. It's Ibolibo. Look at you. You're going to school.
I know say when they talk this thing make I vex. I no go vex. Because as you see me so, I dey happy well. Say I don't start school. Whether not takara or elementary the thing where they be say I don't start something. And as I start am I go finish am. My mama neku dey talk say no be how far away person start something, na how well. Now that one I did. Mara na ebe onye oso ruru onye ije ga-eru.
Before you finish elementary 1, you would have been in university. Finish university before you finish elementary 1. Before you finish, you will be in a husband house. Yes.
Amen. No, I wish you na waiting on. I wish you na self. But the thing beside they happy. More na happy for me. I don't start school.
Who is your friend? Where you bring you one? Come on, point me.
ONE1 TWO2 THREE3 FOUR 4 FIVE 5 XIX 6 6 SEVEN 7
Oh yeah.
EIGAAT 8 This one, it be like say no to enter. N-I-N-E 9. T-E-N 10.
I don't get this thing though. I dey fit count am from 1 to 10.
Hey, you know, so sick I'm Dutcha. 10.
10.
That's good, my daughter. You are doing well.
Make I start am again.
You are doing well.
O-N-E 1 T-W-O 2 T-H-R-E-E 3 F-R-O-O-U 4.
Oh, my little. Oh. How is it going?
Huh? If they go well, you know, say mathematics, they had to solve, but I did try.
You see, I am very sorry I cannot help you, but you see, I know nothing about maths, oh? I'm very sorry.
No worry yourself, no worry yourself.
Omalicham, I brought something for you. I told you I'll bring them. Hey. Oh, Malicham.
Hey, yeah, you try well for me.
Anything for you, oh? Count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 dozens. 1 dozens.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome.
After I go open the water, all of them drink at once. My brain must open.
Carry on so I can.
After I go 1 plus 1, 2 minus 1, 0. Mathematics is hard. Anyone will hard me, later go meet my classmates where they teach me. But if I finish this but my brain must open. You must open.
You can say that again.
Oh, babam.
Oh, anything for you. Oh, Malicham.
Naza. I cross in the river Calabar. Nazae, Mosabiri dan right you. Abu kwana tuto. Ide sweetie pasi sakarin. Ebi wele kasioni. Naziga muta akukwa. Sabiri dan right you. Leave jealousy people Naza. State and capital. Abia, Abangwa. Naza, you don't kill me. Lagos, Badagry. Now so you sabi your own. Enugu, Nsuka. No worry you must learn you Naza. Port Harcourt to Pitankwa. I dey feel you Naza. I cross in the river Calabar. Naza. Abangwa, Lagos, Badagry. No wahala, you must sabi boo. Enugu, Nsuka, Naza.
Afomo.
What is it?
My belly.
Manuku, hey!
Somebody help! 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 Somebody help me!
Mama Licha, what is the meaning of this now? KKK4. I did not bring it for you to finish all at once. I did not.
I never even finish am when the thing starts because I've been planned to finish all of them so that my brain go open. But the belly can start to bite me.
Do you want to kill yourself? Mama! Do you want to kill yourself? Do you want to kill Mama Nuku?
Mama, no verse. I don't know say it go be like this. I just want to make my brain open.
Look, Mama, where is she running to?
She went to shit. Since morning, she has been running to the toilet. Robinson gave her drugs to flush her stomach.
Mama, I hope she'll be alright. I hope Mama Licha will be alright.
She will. She will be alright.
Did you hear what happened to Nazat? Did you know that stupid girl almost killed herself? She broke up to 10 coconuts of water, drained the whole water, believing that water is going to help her open her brain.
Hey! Are you serious?
Let me just gist you. Do you know, I went to Oga Robinson's shop to buy drugs for my mother. You know now, I used to go and buy drugs. And I just saw her, rushed into the place with the help of her mother and one man.
Hey God, that girl, she's a fool. She thinks education is by force. She wants to be counted as one of the intelligent girls in this village. If I hear,
don't mind that girl. There's nothing serious.
I hope you've seen what to wear in this festival.
Yes, I have. My mother bought me a very nice dress.
Are you serious? My mother is there to buy my own. And I hope she will buy me something nice.
So don't worry, she will buy for you.
Nazae, Chinazae, Mosabiri dan right you.
How are you doing today?
I did fine. I think say you go wrong comot because of the way they mess.
Me? Run? Come on, Mama. Let me ask you something. Now tell me, why will I run away? Huh? Because you fat. Everybody does fat. Even the President of America fat. The Queen of England fat. Even the President of Nigeria fat. Everybody does. So I will never run away from you. Not today, not tomorrow, not forever.
Thank you.
I brought something for you.
What is that?
Something to wait and see.
Okuchi bottle. For waiting.
This will help you solve your mathematical equations, your mathematical problems. You will use it to do your plus and minus.
You serious?
Yeah.
1 plus 1 like this.
It will work that way, huh?
Thank you.
You're welcome. You see, I don't have money to give you. Neither do I have gold, but I will.
You don't do. You see all these things where you did do for me. I appreciate them well. I don't know what I for if I don't get you. God go bless you for me. I know if he pay you back. God go bless
you too. Bless you, manager.
Hey.
Now tell me, come here. When last did you fart?
1 times 1. 1. Put on 1. 1, 2, 2. 1 times 1. 2. 2. 2 times 2. This 2, 2, another 2. 2 plus 2 now 4. 4. 3 times 3. 3. This side, put another 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 6. 3 times 3. 6. 4 times 4. 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. This one. 5. They can't divide them with 4. 5. 5. They divide them with 4. 5. Like this. They divide them with 4. One person take 2, 3, 4. Can't remain 1. They will come carry small, put on top. 9 be 1 and small. 1. And small. Sheet mental is used for making a closing rectangular box. Make I go back my times. 10 times 10.
I cross the river Calabar. Naza. Which kind girl you be?
Obi is a boy. I'm going to the market. This is a house. Where is my pencil? Mama! Mama! Naku! Mama! Mama!
What is it?
Mama, I sabi read now. I go feel read anything and I go feel write anything.
So Chinaze Perewam can now read and write.
Mama, I go read now. Make I read this one for you. Ada is a girl. Obi is a boy. I'm going to the school. I am going to the market. This is a house. Where is my pencil? And I go feel right to make I write that.
So my daughter can now read and write. Nobody will insult me in this village again. God, you are wonderful.
God too much. Mama, see I don't write them. A-D-A, Ada. Go bring all your letters, make I read them for you. I go feel it.
God, I thank you.
Mama, I dey come. Make I go somewhere. Mama, I dey come. Mama, I dey come.
Tina said, where are you going to?
Mosabiri dan right you. This
part is very technical.
Baba.
Nasa, what is it?
Baba.
Who's chasing you?
Baba, did they chase me?
Are you sure?
Baba, see, I come to tell you say I don't like how they lie.
It's a lie.
Make I read for you. Obi is a boy. Ada is a girl.
Nasa, you can now read and write.
They read.
It can please be fine. You're wasting my time.
Biko, 2 seconds. Biko,
see,
2 seconds.
See, make I tell you, if
Yes.
you get anything
Yes.
where they readable, go bring and make I read them.
Anything.
Anything where you go bring.
Anything at all.
Bring am go.
Make way. Make way.
Oh, Utendilo. Wait here, can go enemies. Okay, this one now. Milk power.
It's a lie. It's a lie.
Bring another one.
It's a lie.
Another one, they bring them that one.
Hey, get me, hurry up. What's it now? Why are you wasting my time?
2 seconds. You cannot read already.
Bring another one, go with the boy. Of course, that's what deal.
Naza, you cannot read. Let me buy you more.
My friend, go.
Of course, that's one deal. Let me go read for other people. Oh, you can take other people. I go see you later.
Okay, no problem.
My time.
Please, 2 seconds. I'll be done in 15 minutes.
By this time I will come back.
Yes.
If this is not ready, I won't take it easy with you.
Sorry. It's okay. 15 minutes. I'll be done. This is the most crucial part. Yeah, I'm almost done. Hey, that's Karina, right? That's Karina. All right. Let me pump this one.
Villagers, they mock you. Villagers, they laugh at you. Even your sister, they mock you. Make you no mind them. Make you no send them. If it your kuga joyo chinaza.
Mama, what is it?
What happened?
Now my papa.
What about your father?
Mama, I go meet my papa. Make I tell and say, I don't sabi how they write and how they read. My papa can say the thing no make meaning. Say even if I sabi am, say I get epilepsy, say nothing what I go take and do. Mama, I don't know wetin I do my papa. I love am well. I don't do everything make my papa dey proud of me, but nothing why they do wey my papa dey like. I don't know whether I go kill myself. I don't know wetin I do am. This sickness wey dey worry me, no be me cause am. No be me do myself. Anything wey I do, my papa no like am. Mama, na me cause am. Na me do myself. When I get epilepsy, no be so God creates me. When my papa go dey
It's
do me like
okay.
this.
It is okay, my dear.
To your house so you come and make my hair for the festival.
Even me, I was even coming to your house.
Thank God, now I've seen you. Why is your face like this? What happened?
All is not well. Do you know that Naza can now read well?
It's not possible. It's not. Who did not have to read? I'm sure she would have read that in several with the help of one of her teacher or somebody that was there. You would have at least opened on that page to see if Naza can read.
See now, he came pick a bag of biscuits on the ground and gave it to her, and she read it with confidence.
Hey! Jesus, this is not good at all.
It is, because you need to see the way she was even bragging about it.
Hey, Naza, read. Akoko, how? Where? Which way? My dear friend, do you know I even heard that she collapsed as usual when her Daisy's husband to be came to pay for her dowry?
No, that was not what happened. I heard it was postponed.
But leave this thing. This girl likes coffee now. She likes saying chan. Nothing like that happened. She collapsed as usual.
Are you serious? So she fell as usual?
Yes.
Hey!
My dear, I like the way it happened. It's very good for Daisy. Did you forget what Hadiza told us when we went to call her for rehearsal? What did she say? She said, don't worry, it's a family thing. When we are about to get married, traditional marriage, we invite all of you. Thank you. And I'm aware.
Chinazekbere, come.
I want to make your hair so that you look very beautiful for the forthcoming festival. So come and sit down, let me make your hair for you.
Mama, beg, leave that one. I no one sit down, no one make my hair. Wetin I want take hair do?
Why now?
Mama, wetin I dey go there go find now? Wetin I dey go there go look for? I know they go.
Chinazekbere, why now? Eh? Why? Chinazekbere. That festival is a very big one. Eh? See, foreigners are going to be there. Different people from all over the places. They will come to witness this festival. And it's an opportunity for you to make friends.
Eh? Mama, why you dey talk like this? Which kind of friends again I want make? For this village, I no get friend. I no get friend anywhere. The only friend I get now you and Ikem. Even my own papa wey born me, he hates me. How foreigners, people wey no know me, they go come love me, come show me love. Me, I know they go anywhere that day. I no want go make myself go the vex. I go stay house that day. They read my book. I no want go. I beg, Mama, I dey do something. I no want make my hair for that thing. I know they go.
I'll be careful, I promise.
And make sure you stay out of trouble. Don't be arrogant to anybody in that village.
Mom, you've said that before. Why are you singing it like a song to me?
Nothing. Stay out of trouble.
Okay, no problem. I'll miss you so much.
I'll miss you. I know why I'm saying it, because if anything happens to you, your father might send me packing from this house.
Mommy, don't worry. Nothing will happen to me. I'll take care of myself.
Provided you don't talk too much, it will be nice.
No, I won't talk too much. I'll be like... And you take care of yourself too.
You go.
Okay?
I'm missing you already.
Miss you.
Drive safely.
Okay, Mommy. Bye. I get out. Please take care of my chicken. I'll get you something. Orange, purple from the village.
Don't talk too much. Can you get inside the car and start moving? Security?
Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
Sister good, sister good, sister good, you too good, you too fine, you.
Bye.
Hi, girls. Hope you're having fun with your friends.
We should be doing that. Maybe when we go inside, I will entertain them very well.
We want to get to Igwe's Palace for a brief meeting. Okay. We'll soon be back, okay?
Okay, darling. Alright, just be careful as you go.
It's okay.
When are your brothers coming?
Mom, I think they should be coming tomorrow morning. Oh. Yeah.
Okay, tomorrow morning? Okay, please.
Take care of yourself, girls.
Bye. Take care of yourself.
Gosh, I don't even have network in my phone.
Are you serious? Jesus, same here. Oh, and the rain is too much. How am I going to reach my dad? If he tries my number and he doesn't get me, he will not in the house.
Come on, girls. Don't worry. In the evening, we'll stroll down, okay? Definitely, we'll get network.
Are you sure? The rain is too much.
Of course.
I think I need to freshen up. Eat something good.
Don't worry, just come. I'll take care of you.
Okay. Because I want to eat
anything for you.
Jay-Z. I be smart in the mix. I'm busy, yeah. Okay. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine, wine, wine. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine, wine, wine. Dance, let me see this. Take up the same tall, let me see this. Give her instrumental, let me see her dance. Even though she the one, that does the dance. I the actor, action. I the do activities like overtake. I the react to something like party. Don't tell me what to do, I'm not mistaken. Go US, go meet Obama, cause you know say never chop bread Obama. Mama the sucker, we knock you back. Mama the sucker, we knock you back. Dance so my lady, you dey make me high. Baby, I no go lie. Me and you tonight. Cause you want chop my money now, go down. So she want follow me now, go down. So she want follow me, go down. Me and you for stage now, show down. Hey, my lady, dance for me, my baby. I go spray you my money. Baby, please don't go for me. Oh, yeah, come dance for me. Hey, hey, your biggie body. Hey, hey, fine, 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 shorty. Hey, hey, oh, yeah, come dance for me. Oh, 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 oh. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine, wine, wine. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine, wine, wine. Dance, make a dance.
Get out of here! Get out! Get out! Now you walk to people you don't know.
Chami, score.
Hey, please wait there. What is it? Stop calling me that name.
What's happened now? You not be my friend again.
I'm no more your friend. Yes, I'm no more your friend. I saw you this morning when I was going out. You ignored me because you're inside a jeep, Abi.
Chineke me. Mwabu chinaze ekpere. Careful, inside jeep. Hey! I never even entered jeep before. I never even entered any motor before, come be jeep. How jeep did they? I never even enter inside any car since when my papa born me, except keke na pepe.
No be me you see oh. Are you trying to tell me you are not the one I saw this morning?
Hey, I am not now. No be me you see. No be me. No be me you see oh.
I said I saw
I
you.
say no be me. No be school like from they come back now. How I can't take be me? Now for morning I go school now. I just they come now.
I was wondering. I was thinking what I did to you that will make you to ignore me. I was angry with you.
Sorry now, no vex. No be me you see, yeah? Yeah?
Okay now, no problem.
One later, oh?
Alright.
Mbakodi, oh?
See you.
Emechazia.
Why did you slap Ikem?
Chineke me. Mwa, slap Ikem. Ma which time I go take slap him now? I know slap Ikem. I never even see Ikem since today. Who talk that one?
China Zebere. Ikem just left here some minutes ago. He said he saw you and he came to you and you slapped him.
Me? Why? Me China Zebere slap him? Mama, now be say problem dey o. Because now I see Chisom, she come dey tell me say she see me for inside one jeep. Say I dress well, I fine well. She come dey call me, I can't ignore her. But I no see Chisom.
You, China Zebere inside a jeep. They must be joking.
Now be saying I one person where all of them dey talk. Because I no see Chisom and I no slap Ikem.
Now you are talking. Now you are talking, my daughter. This is not funny.
and Nabara, we are all here.
Yes, we are
Where
here.
are you now? We waited for you at the junction. We didn't see you at some point. We just decided to leave. It was getting late. Jesus. You had flat tire. Where?
After where?
Okay, where is Brenda? You both are there. Okay, my regards to her.
We are all here. We are all here. We are greeting you with fast. We are enjoying. You're missing a lot.
She said she's coming tomorrow. Wouldn't that be too late? I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry, okay? Just take care of yourself. Miss you. Ciao, ciao.
We love you. Take care.
Now what do you want here?
My mama
I said what? I said what do you want here, my friend?
My mama no good talk say.
Oh yes, I told your mother to warn you. I actually asked your mother to warn you that the next time you try that rubbish, the next time you try that rubbish. In fact, let us wait until next time. Now get out of my shop. My friend, will you get lost before? Get out of my shop because I'm my wagon.
She looks so much like me.
Yes, she does, and a carbon copy of you.
A quiet, timid, and naive version of you.
But she looks frightened.
And unhappy too.
Yeah. Quite unhappy. I'm sure something is bothering her. I don't know. She seems troubled.
And you're becoming more trouble yourself.
I feel for her. I really do feel for her. I think she's going through pains. Something is not right about her.
I wonder why you're bothering yourself over that.
I wonder. Can we just forget about this girl's talk and talk about something else? We're in my house. Let's make ourselves comfortable. Please. You should feel for her.
I do feel for her.
You should. You know, stays here in the village, doing nothing, just roaming up and down and all that. You should feel for such a one. So what are you saying about that stuff?
I don't have anything to say.
How are you behaving like this now? What is your problem? Good. Stop on.
Drink
Hello, this is my house. I want you to feel comfortable.
I'm going home. See you there. And make sure you lock the front door.
That is by force. If I don't want to come, I won't come. Because you're looking fine.
Please. Good day. My name is Gold. What's your name?
My name is Nachinazekbele.
Oh, what a beautiful name. Okay, fine. Would you mind if I come with you?
Your people, they go look for you.
Don't worry, I'll handle it.
Yeah, no problem now. Come now. Now here they stay with my mama Nuku, my grandmother.
Beautiful place. So, what about your parents?
My father, they stay very close to this place.
Really? And your siblings?
My brothers, they don't go city, they know their village. And my mama, it don't take away he died. Now only me and my sister Daisy. Now we day here, but Daisy day with my papa.
I envy you. I'm the only child of my parents. No brother, no sister. It's all good. So, I like you. Can we be friends?
That friend own. If you know no go fit be my friend though. I know they normal.
How?
I get epilepsy.
Find you.
Today is very sweet.
Hi, take waka.
This is the best I have ever witnessed. You mean so?
I don't miss anything. I come.
You come?
I come there.
But I did not see you.
Mama, get as it take happen. They come call me say you get one girl where you come where look like me. Say me and I'm resemble where I say make I go see her.
Did you see her?
I see her mo. Ha, Mama, even this my birthmark she get her. But the only thing is that she can't find, can't dress. It be like say her people get money well.
Hey,
she even come here. She follow me come here. She come ask me
that's
where you
good.
tell her say you don't go to festival.
Yeah.
After everything, she come beg me say she want make she become my friend. I can't accept.
Okay, that's good.
She look like me well. We resemble no be small.
Hey.
Mama, why you can't they look me like that? Mama, I beg go make I bring hot water make you bath. I don't cook your bus ofe for you. That one way they like well. I don't cook am.
Ezibo nwa. Hi, Ezibo nwa.
The water don't hot.
Hey, okay. Hi, easy yo. Hi, nwa mama.
Hey, Nne, all this money now you give me. It's nothing. You're welcome. It's okay.
God will bless you. God will bless you for me.
You're welcome.
Hey,
thank you very much, my daughter. May God bless you.
Amen. Amen. You're welcome, Mama. Naza, don't worry. Once I go back to the city, I'll make arrangements for you to come over. Then for the money, you can have it for your upkeep. I'll send money to you from time to time. God bless you.
Hey. Thank
you. Take care of Naza.
I will.
I have to be on my way now because I'll be going back to the city.
Thank you. I know Naza go thank you. God bless.
Naza, please come and see her off.
You're welcome. So how was your trip?
Well, my trip was fine. I had fun. I enjoyed the experience.
I can see you enjoyed yourself.
Yes. How dare you talk to my mother when I'm talking to her without observing courtesy?
I'm sorry, ma.
Yeah, it's all right. I'm sorry too. I'm sorry. Come. Don't worry. Come. No, I won't. Come. Don't worry.
You slap me.
No, I won't slap you. Come. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I won't do it again. Please. Please. It's okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Madam, I came to tell you that the food is ready.
Don't worry. We are coming. Wait. Have you eaten anything?
Yes.
Just enjoy yourself.
Did you just do that?
Mom, why are you staring at me like that?
Because you really changed.
Okay, fine. So tell me, the gold of yesterday and this present gold, which one do you prefer?
Without saying anything, this one is the best. What happened?
It's just that I've come to realize that in life, things don't happen the way we see them. Things are not the way we assume they are. Yes, and being rich or being wealthy doesn't make you better than the poor.
Why did you say that?
Mom, life is so cruel and tricky to some people. Yes, while it do favor some people, you're rich, it's not because you're better than the poor. It's by His grace. Almighty, yes.
Honestly, I like this. I'm still listening to your sermon.
Okay, fine, let me tell you. There's this girl that I met at Amago village. Mom, she's my look-alike. exactly the way I am. The only thing different is that she's naive, local, timid, well, in a notable way. While I am daddy's and mommy's girl, you know. Yes, even this birthmark here, she has it. But this girl is a nice girl. She's isolated by people. Nobody loves her. Nobody wants to go close to her. Except for one local vulcanizer that loves her and her grandmother, which she sees as her best friend.
Yeah.
Yes, these are the only people she has.
Oh, poor girl.
She smiles. Yes, she is a nice girl, and I learned so many things from her. She's always smiling despite her predicament.
Yeah, such a nice girl. Poor little child.
Yes.
What about her parents? I mean, her family?
They don't care about her. But she loves them so much. Mom, this girl is the only sister I have right now. I want to take her as my own biological sister.
From what you've said so far, honestly speaking, I would like to see this girl.
Yes,
but
Mom.
The problem will be if her parents will allow her to come.
Mom, this girl taught me so much. Let me show you her picture.
Okay, you took a picture?
Yes.
That's nice. Bring it, let me see. What?
I can't find it.
Did you snap it?
Of course I did. How can I not take pictures with her? I did.
And you can't find it?
Yes, it's not here. Oh, what happened?
It's okay, it's okay. Maybe the weather or something. It would be nice to have her around anyway. Because my mood has changed.
I felt her pain.
Thanks for changing. This is my little girl. This is why I've been shouting this while.
Leave me alone. Let's go and
I can't wait for your father to come and see you.
Like this?
Adese, go and get me something to eat. I am hungry.
Papa, there is no food.
I said, get inside here and get me something to eat.
Papa, there is no food in the house. I did not cook.
Adese, I said, get in there and find something for me to eat.
Papa, I'm going out. When I come back, I will cook. There is no food in the house now. I'm coming.
Adese, come back here.
I'm coming. Let me see somebody.
All right. You will go and come back and meet me here. So I should wait until you come back before I can eat. All right.
Adal! Hey, Adal! Adal!
I can see.
Now my friend for city, she dash me clothes. Plenty things. Dash me plenty things.
Your friend?
Why late for festival?
These are fine clothes.
Hey. Dash me plenty things. I said we can bring this
These
one.
clothes are for who?
For you. From the things which she dash me.
Hey! Naza one name. Hey! One name. Hey! Oh, Naza, these things are expensive and they are very fine. Naza, this one's for me. Hey! Hey! Oh, Nazi Bezibo Madu, you're a nice person. After everything I did to you, and you still have the heart to dash me these beautiful clothes. Hey! Naza, you have a heart of gold. You have a heart of gold. Hey, one name, how could I have been so wicked to you? I promise, from today, anybody that fights you, I will fight. Anybody that curses you, I will curse. In fact, Naza, I am now your bodyguard. Hey! One name. Hey!
See, make I tell you something. Hey. See this thing where you talk. It don't benefit me. How? You don't tell why they pray. They ask, say, when my own sister will love me. Hey! The way why I take love am. I love you well. You're not the only sister why I get. Hey. The only thing where I want from you and Papa, not to love me back.
Hey.
And not get another person. This thing where you talk now, it don't believe for me. I don't happy. It don't do.
Okay. Hi. Please, I promise you, from today, I love you more than I love myself. I would never let anything bad happen to you, Biko.
You don't do. Don't cry.
Hi, people.
Don't do anything. Don't do right.
Nasa, please. Tell me it is well with me. Oh,
well.
It
well. Come.
Hi.
We could go test and see as you go there for you.
Doctor, how is she? Hope she's getting better.
I'm sorry she couldn't make it.
She couldn't make what?
She's dead.
No! No! She can't die like that, doctor. No! Jesus Christ. Hey, Naza. Hey, Naza. Thank God it's just a dream. Cover her with the blood of Jesus. Amen.
She talks say her papa go America.
Hey, that is nice. Oh, she must be from a very rich family, my daughter.
They get money where. She even talk say she go like make her come visit them for city.
Chai! And what did you tell her?
Mama, waiting I go tell am now. Tell am say I no sure say I go feel go.
What do you mean by that?
Mama, I no go feel leave only you for village here go city now. I no go feel leave only my man Nuku.
My daughter, am I a child? Is my hand or my leg paining me? This is an opportunity for you to taste the other side of life. Please, don't worry about Mama Nuku.
But Mama, I no feel
don't do bet. Chinazekbere no bet. Go and tell her that you will go. Tomorrow I will go to the farm and get cassava and yam and other things and prepare you for the journey. Ogukwa, you are going, my daughter. Eh?
You don't love me again. You don't love me again. Leave me.
You know I love you. I love you, and you know it.
No lie. Now when me and my sister reconcile, they say make I go city.
Sweetheart, see, listen, okay? Your sister is not running away. You will go and come and meet her here.
Be like say you won't get new girl. Now you make you they say make I they go city. You won't chase me come out.
Malicham, how can you say such a thing? How can you utter such words? Malicham, how can you? I love you. I love you like crazy.
You don't get another girl now. You don't get them. If you don't get another girl, you go they pursue me make I they go city. Even to talk say you go miss me, you don't talk am. Just they tell me make I they go.
Listen, see. I've always loved you. From the very first day I set my eyes on you, I love you. Okay? And nothing is going to change that. I want you to understand. I just want you to be fine. That is all. If it's good for you, it's good for me, okay?
So you no one get another girl?
God forbid, I swear to God, there is no other girl. No one but you.
Okay? I love you, way. They pursue me, they go city. Okay.
Come here. It's okay. It's okay.
You just say that that is to make you
I swear to God.
You never get another girl up where?
God forbid. I'm so
What is all this?
Adese!
Just look at how untidy this place looks. Now let me tell you, before I come back from this woman meeting, you would have tidied up this place. You go there, sleep.
Ada, good morning. Pa, good morning. If I come tell you, I go city. That my friend, she dey invite me come.
Hey. Good. Have you heard about people going to the moon?
People where they go moon, I never hear them, but if I go sit, I go hear them.
You can go to the moon. I don't care. Did you hear that? You want to come and tell me you're going to the town. And you, if you don't tidy this place before I come back, you will see what I will do to you. If you like, go back there and start sleeping and snoring.
Hi, Timo. Hi.
No, they cry.
Sorry. Chai, do you mean you're going to the city?
I go city. Tell my friend say she wants me to go.
Hi. Someone, please, when you go, don't forget me.
Don't talk like this now. How I go forget my only sister? I no go forget you.
If I find things for me, like what you're wearing, see now.
This one. Now that my friend will be like me, now she give me.
Hi, man. If not that I have an exam next tomorrow, I would have gone with you.
No worry.
I would have taken you to the park. Hey!
No worry yourself. No worry yourself, you hear? No worry, I wish you good luck. You go get all the questions where they go ask.
Amen.
Where broom they might help you soon.
Child. As if we need to go marry. Hey! Better you good person, no, I don't know. Hey!
Start from the other side. Or you can leave it though. I go feel see Mama, like I told you the other time, I've come to pick her up. Yes, she will be going to the city with me to spend 3 weeks or more.
Okay, my daughter. Thank you very much. May God bless you for everything. My daughter.
Mama.
Please, take care of her for me. She is all I have.
Mama, I know. You have nothing to worry about. I'll take proper care of her.
My daughter.
And you take care of yourself.
Thank you.
I know she will miss you so much.
My daughter.
Mama.
This is all an old woman like me can afford. Please, manage it and take it along with you as you go. Along with you.
Mama, this is much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I appreciate. Thank you. We have to be on our way. I appreciate. I love them. Naza, let's go. Okay, Mama.
All right.
Take care. Close. Mommy, why are you looking at her like that? I told you, Naza, this is my mom. Mommy, this is Naza, the girl I told you about. Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Are you surprised?
Yes. Both of you look so much alike. The resemblance is too much. You I can't even differentiate between you two.
I told you. Didn't I tell you?
God is great. Drink.
Naza, you're welcome, okay? Make yourself comfortable. Oh, let's go in.
They touch you for hearts. Yes, you
This place fine, well. This is house fine, no? You dey enjoy. So, only you get this kind of fine room?
Yes, this is my room. You can share this room with me, but if you don't want, I can get you another room.
No, beside, no one share with you. No talk like that. I just dey talk say the room fine. And the room big. It big well.
Thank you, my sister. But the thing is, I'm the only child of my parents, so they can go to the extreme to make me happy. They do whatever I want.
Chai, I understand how you dey feel, but no problem. One day, God go answer your mama prayer, give him another pikin.
After how many years? Please forget about that. Forget it.
No talk like that. God see, make I tell you. You see this God wey dey up, na miracle worker. He fit do am anytime.
I know.
Hey. When your papa go come back?
Okay, my dad, he'll be coming back in the next 2 days. Yes, he should be back in the next 2 days.
Now they enjoy you. Your mama nice. See how she welcome me.
Of course, she's a nice woman. Secondly, my parents can do anything to make me happy. They can go to the extreme to make me happy. They love me so much. You know, I'm their only child.
No wahala. God go bless you now. God go bless you. I go like speak with my grandma. Make I tell her I don't reach.
Okay, no problem. Just put a call across to her. Let me freshen up. When I come out, I'll give you some gist. I'll tell you so many things you need to know about the city.
She too fine, you.
No, ma.
I go fit band and well.
No, ma.
Okay. Make I help you cut it.
No, madam. I can do it.
I know be madam. My name na Chinaza.
I know, ma'am.
Make I help you now.
I can do it.
But I don't wash the plate.
I don't wash the
So nothing to wear. Good, they enjoy you. So you know they do anything. Enjoyment city. Make I go sit down now. So you know what? Make I help you. Make I go sit down. Go, they do something. If I watch, I go watch something. If you need my help, come call me. Oh?
Yes, ma'am.
Now for action, they see a move, sister good. Sister good, this is the good, you too good, you.
Be fast, bring her. Carry her, be fast! Carry her, be fast! Nasa, you'll be fine. Don't worry, you'll be fine. Nothing will happen to you. Where's my car? Give me fast!
Doctor, I desperately need to know what's causing seizure.
Usually, epileptic seizures are often associated with a particular trigger or changes in your daily habits or routine.
So how can one avoid it?
You we cannot really predict the cause of epileptic seizure. Sometimes it happens out of nothing. But stress, anxiety, and other emotional issues could be. Also, failure or skipping the prescribed medication will give one seizure.
Okay, thank you so much, doctor. I want it to stop. It's becoming too much. The seizure is embarrassing her. It's disgracing her.
Tell her to get plenty of sleep each night. Let her learn stress management, relaxation technique, and then eat healthy. And above all, let her take her medications as prescribed always.
Okay, thank you so much, doctor. Thank you.
Let me give you some prescriptions so that you go to our pharmacy and get the drugs and give to her.
Okay, thank you.
Take this. Go to our pharmacy, get the drugs, give to her.
Thank you. I appreciate so much. Don't worry, you'll be fine. Okay? But first, you have to take your drugs. Let's go. Okay. This is one. This is one. Yeah, just give it to her.
Make a carry on for hand. Thank you, yeah? You're welcome. Thank you. All of them are nice here.
Don't worry, you'll be fine, okay? Everything will be alright. Okay? Put a smile on your face. That's it.
Wow, Mommy, you're back.
Hi. Mama, welcome.
How have you girls been?
We did fine.
Welcome, we are fine.
Mama, welcome.
Thank you. I went to my girlfriend's place. She deals on dresses, shoes, and bags.
Oh, me. I love this bag. It's my favorite.
Thank you.
I love the bag.
Okay, push you. Enjoy yourself. I'm going upstairs.
No problem.
Oh, God will bless you.
So these words, do you like this one?
The shoe is fine, well.
This is nice. What do you have to say? Nice?
This one, try it on.
This one again?
They're all nice.
These are nice for me. Oh, this is colorful. This is for me. Hope the shoe is nice. You can try it on. Hey. This one for me. This is for you. Wow, she bought so many dresses for us.
Ibana moto ipo kwa venza Godi mwa Godi Sister got you to find you Manama You too caring, you too kind Manama Imapagwa bomba wanyo Manama Sister God yo Anything you want yo
Come here.
Welcome, sir.
What's this you're wearing?
Sir, if na the dress, he fine well, I appreciate them.
Who cut your hair?
I saw the hair there, na.
Oh, come off it, princess. Why are you speaking like that?
Daddy!
Hey!
Daddy! Daddy, what is it? What's the problem? Okay, I know you don't know her. Her name is Naza. She's my friend. That's my daddy. Daddy, where is my car?
Over.
Jesus! Come along, let's go see my... Oh my God! Oh Jesus! This is beautiful. Please, can you come out? I want to go in. In the vest.
Sister God, you do fine, you go. You too caring, you too
Can you see it? Are you seeing it? This is wonderful. I love you, Daddy. I love you so much. This is beautiful. Naza, do you like it? I don't see how you like it. Well.
Anything you want, they go get them for you.
Wow! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Hi, honey. How are you?
Why did you allow her travel to that village? Why?
She insisted.
Without telling me?
Come on, honey. I don't see how this should be a problem between you and I. But honestly speaking, this is the best thing that happened in our daughter's life. She met her look-alike.
That's the point! Meeting her look-alike.
What is the point?
You shouldn't have allowed her travel to that village. Simple. You shouldn't.
I don't see how this could be a problem between you and her. Why are you so worked up over nothing? She came back and she's happy about the journey and you're like... I'm sorry. I need to get a drink.
How kind of problem is this? Women are always blabbing. Met her look alike. You don't even know what is there.
Do you like the city? I like city well, city fine. You're having fun, you're enjoying the place. I like them. When we go farm. My God, farm? Farm. We don't go to the farm here. Anything we want, we go to the shop, right? We go to the stores and get them. We don't farm. Yes, we don't go to farm here. Now go to spend money. Come show me land, make I go farm for you. Don't worry, one of these days I'll take you to the cinemas, I'll take you to the shop, right? I'll take you to so many places. Okay? Una dey enjoy you and una nice. Even you, your mama, everybody. They're nice. Hope you're enjoying your life. Oh my God! Somebody help! Grace! Choma, somebody help me! Somebody help! Help me! Come! Sorry. Let me go and get my key. We need to take her out of this place. Why your papa no like me? Why did you say that? The way they look me, I know say he no like me at all. It be like say I go come, they go back to my village. Oh. We agreed you're going to spend 3 weeks here. Why do you want to leave in a hurry? Now waiting me and you talk now, but as things no can work the way we plan them now, we no go kill ourselves. But the thing be say you don't try for me well. All the good things we don't do for me, I appreciate them. God go bless you. Amen. Listen, I know something is really bothering my father, but you're not the cause. Okay? Sleep and stop bugging your pretty head. Sleep like a baby. Oh. Got you full. I'll take you to ShopRite, I'll get you shawarma, I'll get you ice cream and chocolate, so many other goodies. Thank you, but I never chop them before. I know you've not tested it before, but don't worry, you will like it. Yeah, thank you. God bless you. You nice well. You nice. My phone dey ring, I dey come. Hello, Manuku. Chineke, when? Hey, for bike. Hi. Okay, I dey come. Hi. What is it? Now my papa. What's wrong with him? They say he fall comot for Okada. Oh my God, I'm so sorry about that. I am so sorry. I go come, make I dey go our village. Make I dey go Amago, make I go see him. Don't worry. I will take you to Amago, okay? Don't worry. No, you know say your papa and your mama fit no gree make you go. You don't try well for me. Make I dey go. You hear? I can handle them. They are not my problem. Oh right. Okay, don't worry.
For your love, my dear, will I surrender? Let me know what I have to do to make you feel alright. Akwụkwọ na-atọ ụtọ, ọ na-afịarụ na mmụta. Ebi nwere nkasi obi, na-azịga mụta akwụkwọ. Nazae, Chinazae, Mosabiri dan right you.
Welcome here.
Good day, sir. Good day, ma'am.
Hey!
Papa, what's happening?
Is this your friend you've been talking about?
Nashi.
Papa,
this person is my friend. Her name is good.
No.
Mama, Nada, my friend.
No, she can't be your friend.
We are friends.
This girl is your twin sister.
Huh? Good.
Your twin sister.
Papa.
Hey.
Maneku.
Hey.
Twin. I don't understand.
Papa, wait. What do they talk say if you say go na my twin sister?
Yes, my daughter. She is your twin sister. Your mother died immediately after giving birth to two of you. She's your twin sister. Fine. The money.
Yes.
Okay. Well, there's no need counting it. I hope it is complete.
And let this be a secret between us.
Yes, it would. Is there any way I can be introduced to the man who wants to buy my girl?
Sir, there is no need for that. He doesn't want to see you. I think you should do the same.
Okay, all right. At least, now that this woman is dead, I can use this money to start business. Thank you very much.
You are welcome, sir.
Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye, sir. Hey, bye-bye. You're my sister? I can't take all this.
No, my daughter, please. God, please forgive me. Come back. Please.
God, come back.
Forgive me. Where is she? Forgive me.
Hey! Baby, what is soft money?
I was desperate. I was helpless because I had been told that I could not father a child. That day I got to the hospital and I was told that the child had died and that my wife had gone into coma.
Sir, I'm sorry about your loss.
Thank you.
I could help you if you want a child.
What did you say?
Yes, I can help you if you want a child.
How?
One woman just delivered 2 girls, but she died immediately after having the baby. And I heard her husband lamenting about not having money to take care of the children. If you don't mind, I will help you ask if he could like to give out one.
Are you sure you can do that?
Yes.
I'm interested. Please, just help me. You know our condition.
Yes.
Please.
It's okay.
I'll pay you any amount of money.
It's okay. I'll get back to you.
You should do that.
Yes.
Alright.
Jesus Christ. How can you tell me that? How can you tell me a child I went to the hospital to have by myself? A child I carried in my arms that is not my child. How can you tell me that?
Our child died at birth.
Come on, honey. Enough of this. Tell me you're joking. Please stop.
It's true. I'm not joking. Remember that we had been married for 8 years without a child. And then you got pregnant. And I was very happy. We were very happy. Now, the day we were supposed to be very happy and had the happiest day of our lives turned into the day of sorrow. I got to the hospital that day and was told that our child had died and you were in coma. And I was crying until I met that kind nurse who saw me crying. And I told her our story and she decided to help us out.
Mom, Dad.
Come on.
Good day. Thank you, Mommy. I met my biological father.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry I kept this away from you and your mother.
You mean Mom is not aware of it?
She's not aware. She was in coma when all the arrangements were made. Please, forgive me. Please, forgive me.
Dad, I hold no grudges against you. I am not your blood. Yet, you carried me like an egg. You treated me like a princess. I wouldn't have had better parents than you and Mom. I love both of you so much and I appreciate everything you've done for me. I hold grudges against my own biological father that sold me out because of money, out of greed. Dad, I love you so much. I love you with all my heart. Mom, I love you. And I will be your daughter and love you for the rest of my life.
Thank you, my princess.
It's okay.
You have brought joy and happiness to this family since the day I took you. That same day that I took you, my wife woke up from coma. That same day, I received a call that my containers that were seized had been released. That same day, when my wife woke up and I presented you to her, tears of joy filled her eyes.
I'm
so sorry, honey. I never knew that you weren't my biological daughter. Not until now. Please forgive me, Abby.
It's okay. You did nothing wrong to me. You treated me like your own daughter. I will love you for the rest of my life. I am not going anywhere. I'm your daughter and your daughter will always be.
Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay. I can't trade the love I have for you and Dad for that self-centered man who doesn't think about anyone else except himself. I fear for my sister Naza. I fear for her because of that dangerous disease. Mom, she's going through pains. No one is taking care of her.
Your mother told me everything. I've already made arrangements for her to go for medical treatment abroad.
Oh, thank you. Daddy, I love you. I love you. Daddy, thank you. Thank you. I am excited. I am so happy. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Dad. Thanks for everything.
Thank you so
much. I love both of you so much. Okay. You're my world. Daddy, I love you.
I'm glad you're happy.
I love you. I am excited.
It's
I
okay,
love
honey.
you.
It's okay.
I love you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Mama Mo. Mama Bikon. Oh, please forgive Papa. I know say wetin Papa do no good, but they beg you make you forgive him. Oh, Biko, my daughter.
He betrayed all of us. Your father betrayed all of us.
I know.
I disown.
No, Mama, beg, no talk, Mama, beg, no talk like that. I beg, no disown, Mama, beg, you know say na your pikin. Mama, beg, forgive him. I take God beg you. Bikon, oh, ekune no to a biko.
Mama, please forgive me. Please, Biko, forgive me.
He is my only child. And I ask God to fill my husband's house with children. God answered my prayer. He blessed me with 7 grandchildren. A twin included. Your father, being a greedy and a selfish-centered man, sold one of the twin. I pray that God will forgive him too. Amen. Ba. Please, my daughters.
Papa.
Please forgive me. Please, I'm begging you, forgive me. Oh.
Forgiven you? Yes, I hold nothing against you. I just want to show you the face of the man that accepted me when you rejected me. He took me like his own blood. He gave me life, he gave me everything. I will forever be his daughter. That's what I want you to know.
There's no problem about that, my daughter. No problem. After all, you have been living with him all this while. So long as you will forgive me, I don't have a problem with that.
Papa, I've forgiven you. I will take you to a good orthopedic hospital where you will be properly taken care of.
Thank you, my daughter.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, thank
Good,
you.
thank you.
Thank
God
you.
bless you.
Thank you.
And I also came to inform you that proper arrangements have been put in place to take Naza abroad for medical treatment.
Naza! Naza one day more.
Thank you, son. Hey, go.
Thank you, thank you. Hey, one day, thank you.
God go bless you.
Hey.
Mama. Thank you.
Hey.
Good. Darling. Oh. Naza, it's okay. It's okay.
She too fine, you. She too sexy, you. Sister God, you too fine, you go. Manama, you too caring, you too kind, you. Manama, Imakwagwa bomba wanyo. Manama, Sister God, Sister God, you too fine. Anything you want, they go get them for you. Manama, one of my, one of my. Yale baby, oh yeah, baby na hot yo, ichikora chiko inokwanuma. You too fine. Omari changwa wero bi wanem. Big girl in the before Matio. Now for action they see a mo. Sister God. Sister God, you too good, yo.